Are you ready on anything, Josh, or you're going in with your people?
I'm going to let him know right now. Do we have other folks who need MI? Oh, I guess
Yeah.
It looks like we do. Okay.
And any adjournments, just let me know.
Will do. I'm bringing in, the plea form for John Johnson. It's an adjournment. It's coming in right now with Officer Garcia.
Any certain Wednesday you want?
Are
you on any?
Let me get my calendar pulled up. That's a good question. Do you know what our dates? It'll be Wednesday, so we're sticking on. Yes, I can do. I'm sorry. I thought I had it pulled up already.
That's fine. You didn't sign up for any.
I've got a jury trial that is supposed to happen on.
I was just looking to see if you were House counsel for anything. You are on December 3rd. That's my next one, but I don't know.
Let's do House. Let's do it that date just to be safe. If I'd like to put it on the 19th, but it seems like a bad idea. Currently, I've got a jury trial set up in Lapeer for 2 days, and I think it's going to resolve, but that'd probably not be a good thing to bet on.
Okay, well, you tell me what day you want.
Let's go to the 3rd.
Okay, and that was on John Johnson?
It will be. I need to go talk to him real quick.
Yep,
but
that's fine. He's just going to, I'll have everything ready for you. Okay.
Well, do we need to go on the record on that one?
Nope.
Okay.
You can just let them go whenever you're done with them if we're just adjourned.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Gagnick's ready on Charles Nimley.
And what are you guys doing?
I'm going to ask for an exam date, please.
All right. All right. My next exam dates are, let me see how this was put in the computer. Hold on real quick. Either it's already set for next week for the 21-day rule, and or I can go to November 26th or December 3rd.
I'm thinking far out like December 3rd because my November stinks and I've got an exam next week. Could I take you December 3rd?
December 3rd, 12:15?
I accept.
All righty. So Mr. Nimley, did you hear that? We'll see you in person on December 3rd at 12:15 here at the court, okay? You are muted, but as long as you give me a thumbs up or here, let's see. Where did he go?
Can you hear me?
Yep, I can hear you now.
Yes, I heard it.
Okay, so December 3rd, 12:15. We'll see you then.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yep, have a good day.
Bye, Mr. Nimley. We'll talk later.
Okay.
Yeah, go back to work. Don't worry about a thing. I'll talk to you in a week or two.
Okay.
Carrie, you're done with Mr. Martin?
Bye.
Sorry. Yes, I am.
All right.
Ready on that case.
All right. What are we doing with Mr. Martin?
We are setting an exam and addressing bond, and I think
Then I
Mohammed
will.
wants.
Yep. Then I'll have the judge come out and speak to you on bond.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you.
In fact, he still needs to be arraigned.
Yes, Ben.
Please rise. 34th District Court, Ryan Oakley presiding.
Have a seat, folks. You looking for Martin? No, I didn't. Did you scratch Martin? Sure.
And Nimley.
And,
Nimley and, yep. Mhm.
okay, Kenneth Martin, and then Nimley.
Yep, that one.
Martin?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead,
Ready.
counsel.
And good morning, Judge Oakley. Good morning to your staff. Neighborhood Defender Service, Carrie Martin, P84592, appearing on behalf of my client, Mr. Kenneth Martin, who is appearing by Zoom from the Wayne County Jail. Mr. Martin, state your full name.
Kenneth Martin, Your Honor.
Thank you, gentlemen.
Welcome.
Counsel, we need to arraign on this one.
Yes, we would waive the formal reading of that warrant, stand mute to the charges.
Done. Have you seen the bond rec from the department?
I didn't see the recommendation, no.
Let's see what we got. Department request, excuse me, department request cash bond to assure appearance. They're listing one warrant out of 16th District Court for a misdemeanor. Says he's currently on probation or parole. Looks like he's got a Wayne County felony case he's on probation for.
Right, and I can give more context about that, Your Honor.
They're also asking for no contact with the victim and a GPS tether.
Sure.
All right, who's the prosecutor on this file?
That would be a Muhammad case.
All right. Go ahead, Mr. Martin. What do you want to talk about?
When it comes to bond, so Mr. Martin has another case out of Westland that I represent him on. And we were just we held that exam, actually we waived that exam last week and addressed his bond there with Judge McConnell. And Judge McConnell did grant a reduction of that bond from a 25,000 cash to a 25,000 10%. So Mr. Martin and his family have been working to scrape that money together. In fact, they've paid a bondsman, but the bondsman was just waiting to see what happened with this case before posting it. But they really have kind of paid their last penny to this bondsman. Meanwhile, Mr. Martin, you know, he has a wife and kids aged 13 and 9. He was working towards his associate's degree in fact, he's almost done with his associate's degree through an online institution, Colorado Tech. And if he doesn't log on to that online system soon, they might boot him out of the program. But he's very close to completing that. I think this incident represents an aberration. But nonetheless, we're asking for a personal bond, which I know is below the recommendation. But he already is going to be out a ton of money if he fails to appear on his other cases. And he's on probation to Judge Bridget Hathaway. I'll continue representing him with Judge Hathaway. He has a strong incentive to keep showing up for these court proceedings. So respectfully, I'm asking for a personal, no objection to the tether and no contact provisions.
When's his next court date in Westland?
His bound over from Westland and his AOI is tomorrow.
Okay. All right. Heather, did we pick a date for our PCC?
We did not. I wasn't really listening, Carrie, whatever
That's all right.
Wednesday.
When do you want to have a PCC?
We'll come back for a PCC. Would it still be Your Honor next week, or is that Judge Patton?
It's Judge Patton next week.
All right. I guess we'll do a PCC in a week.
Next week?
All right. 8:30, because well, I don't know if he'll be lodged still.
Yeah, because he might still be in custody on the other file. So let's do it at 8:30 on the 29th. And on this file, I'm going to put him on a personal with a no contact. Mr. Martin, do I have to explain what I mean no contact?
No, Your Honor.
You forget these people exist to you.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just that simple. So stay out of trouble, show up for your court date, 8:30. That's going to be Zoom with Judge Patton, correct?
That-
Heather?
That sounds right.
Judge Patton,
What
yes,
date?
I'm sorry.
All right.
What date?
A week from today, sir.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, so stay out of trouble, show up for court, no contact with the complainant in this matter. Can you live with those rules?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $10,000 if you screw that up?
Yes, Your Honor.
You violate this bond, I revoke it, and you go back to jail until you come up with 10 grand, understood?
Okay, Your Honor, sounds good.
All right, good luck.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Mr. Kenneth Martin, can you have the deputy bring in Elisa Kosab, please? And
Yeah.
Mr. Kizzy, you're all set with your adjournment?
Sure. All right. Now what? Good. Everybody's healthy. Standard, everybody's healthy. Good to see you. Good to see you.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Same to you. Austin Gutierrez? James, do you know where the people are for Gutierrez? Gutierrez, counsel, I'm calling the case.
That was my, will be my decent job. Judge, you are sold, and I know you're a judge, you're sold business oriented. I remember when you first started.
We got a docket to move. Heather, I don't have any dates out here,
Oh,
so
I'm coming.
pre-trial for Gutierrez.
Oh, no.
Pre-trial, how many weeks do they want out?
Let me interrupt. Judge, I just talked to the prosecutor again, and he said, set it for a jury trial. Whether it's probably gonna be next year, if it's settled during the interim.
I don't do that. I don't do jury trials because you guys are working something out.
Okay.
I'm not gonna waste a jury trial date if you guys think you're resolving it.
He's arguing complaining,
Right,
and it's not gonna stop
okay,
him. Get on time, but we'll just, a jury trial, and I give you my word, we're gonna do a jury trial.
okay.
It'll be January. I don't have dates.
So you want to just contact the attorneys?
Yep, I will contact attorneys.
All right, so we're just gonna make a note in the file, jury trial TBD. Heather will contact you, and is this Mr. Mohammed?
Yes.
Oh, good morning.
I thought it was
Yeah.
Mr. Lecky. For
Ms. Mohammed
Gutierrez.
says otherwise.
Okay,
Well, this is the case between the defendant and his sister, I believe that.
Okay,
okay, then that makes sense.
Sure.
Okay, sorry.
okay. All right, that makes sense. All right, so she'll reach out to you guys and get a date. Yeah. In the meantime, on this file, bond will be continued.
Good.
All right, and it looks like he's got another file coming up for exam on the 12th.
Right.
Okay. All right.
He's that with a different judge.
He also owes us some money,
You're pointing at me, who does?
your client, on a 2020 operating, you got a payment plan on that? Okay,
You're good. You got a nice day, 15.
we'll get him a paper notice if he waits a minute. Good day.
No.
Just take a seat.
All right.
No, for Mr. Gutierrez, I don't have a date, Judge. It's to
Oh,
be
that's right.
determined.
Oh, you're gonna determine it. Yeah, go
Yeah.
away.
Yeah.
Shane Jones. Good morning, Mr. Hadley. Good morning, Mr. Jones.
Michelle comes around for Mr. Shane Jones. Does appear there was a cash bond, that he had a 10%.
$5,000.
Yeah, we show it on the file.
Just want to do housekeeping, make sure there's no warrants, anything else to recall it. We're, as long as we're looking good. there.
No, I think we are.
We're setting this matter for a final pre-trial, the complainant to appear. I would also point out, it's not obvious from case caption. No, this is Shane Jones, Khalil Hudson. Your Honor, it's a 2022, August of 2022 original offense date.
Okay.
Complaint wasn't issued until October of 2024. We're optimistic that hope is to resolve the next hearing and
All right. Heather, pretrial date.
Yep, when does Josh want?
Your Honor, or your, Heather, Your Honor, if you could do the final pre-trial complaint to appear on December 3rd of 2025.
December 3.
Yes.
Time, Heather?
9:15.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. We're gonna get a notice from Mr. Jones?
Yep, it'll be spitting out in just a minute, Jamie.
Just have a seat. We'll get you a notice.
And Heather?
Yep.
Are you able to move Khalil Smith back into the main section? The complaint didn't appear and we're gonna be doing a dismissal. I've got Muhammad handy.
What's the name?
Khalil
Khalil
sorry.
Smith, last
Khalil
name
Smith.
Smith.
It's a Zoom appearance. We do not have a form filed out on that. We just
Don't need it. Gentlemen, your appearance is on the People versus Khalil Smith.
Josh Hadley, for me, that Mr. Khalil Smith, who was joined via Zoom today.
I'm here.
Mr. Smith, you there?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Mohammed?
With the officer and we informed that the victim in this case, Miss Christina Jenkins, went for subpoena. However, he has failed to appear. This case was scheduled for 8:45 a.m. It is now 9:23 a.m. and she's still not present. We're unable to move forward at this time.
Accordingly, Your Honor, we would make the motion to dismiss without prejudice at this time.
All right, and I don't see any bond money. Mr. Smith, you have not posted money on this file, have you?
No, sir.
All right, case is dismissed without prejudice. You enjoy your day.
You too.
People versus John Johnson.
Your Honor, that matter is going to be adjourned. We're studying that for a final three trial.
12-3.
Yes.
Same time, 9:15.
Yep, gotcha.
And we have received discovery on both of those, so FBT should take care of that.
And where's Mr. Johnson at?
I already met with him on Zoom. Once we found out it was just gonna be a scheduling matter, Your Honor, we had him go.
Okay.
He had the work issues.
He doesn't get a notice then. I mean, we'll mail him.
He and I are in contact. We're good.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
you're welcome. Heather, you got anything on Zoom ready?
Not yet, Judge. I'm still waiting.
Thank you.
Brandon Hedgewood, when I put you in the breakout room, you need to stay there. Somebody needs to speak to you.
Opposite gender in the area.
Mr. Dillon, do you need to talk to Mohammed again?
Yes, I do. Thank you.
Sure.
Sorry.
No, you're good.
What a weird morning.
Michelle, did Mr. Dillon say how long you needed?
He said he needed to talk to Mohammed again.
Oh, okay.
He had left and came back in. We still don't have Attorney Mojica or Collins.
No.
I keep looking for him.
Hello?
Miss Walred, I'm gonna make you co-host. Are you able to do it on your machine?
I don't know.
don't
I
think
just
so.
need
Oh.
to speak to Miss Hester in a breakout room. if
Just
that's-
her?
Yes.
Okay. I was gonna try and make it easier for you, but I don't know if your machine will do it. Okay, let me find Miss Hester. Mr. Edwards, I called your attorney. He should be jumping on as soon as he can. Mr. Bell, I called your attorney and he will be jumping on in a few minutes as well. Ms. Patillo, are you all set with Ms. Kosap?
Yes, we're ready.
And what were you doing today?
Just setting for exam. I heard the availability of the day, so is it on the 19th
I'm sorry.
of November?
No, those are for PCCs. For exams, it's either November 26th or December 3rd.
Okay. Yeah, I'm not available on the 3rd. Okay, yeah.
Hold on.
Okay.
Agents and press.
Ms. Patillo, so neither one of those dates worked. I'm trying to work with another court clerk to see, but neither November 26th nor December 3rd.
Oh, December 3rd works.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, I have December 3rd if that works.
Yeah, that works.
Okay. 12:30?
Yes.
Perfect. Thank you. 12:30 December 3rd. And anything on bond or you're all set?
Nothing on bond at this time. We got some other stuff out there. We don't want to risk it.
All righty. Ms. Kosap, can you ask them to bring one of the other defendants in next, please?
Yes. So we don't need to go on the record then? I'm all set?
Nope, we're on record. We're recording.
Okay, thank you so much. You
Yep, you're welcome.
all right, bye.
Ask them to either bring in Young or Morzak. Thank you. If you can unmute, what's your name on Wayne County? No, up at the top on the machine to your left, I think. Yep. There's a button for mute and unmute.
Is that for me, Latanya Seabury?
Nope. What's your name in Wayne County Jail?
Todd Young.
Todd Young. Perfect. Let me throw you in to speak to the attorney. Hold on. Mr. Schulman, do you need to speak to your client?
Nope, we are ready to waive the exam. I talked to Mr. Mohammed. He does not object.
You're waiving? Already, I'll let the judge know.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Latanya, keep yourself muted, please.
Right, Hayes in there, don't you, Hayes? After I gave this new phone. What's up with the names?
Filson. Yeah. There's a Hayes one.
Thanks. That's Greg Filson. So we ready on Patrick Hayes?
Yes. Good morning. We're ready. Thank you.
Your appearance.
Good morning, Your Honor. Stanford Shulman, P43230. I'm appearing on behalf of with Patrick Thomas Hayes. He is on video, and we consent to appearing on video. We're here for a PCC. Ready to. I've advised Mr. Hayes of the statutory right regarding the preliminary exam, and he's prepared to waive that exam.
Thank you. Mr. Hayes, do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the purpose for a preliminary exam?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understanding the purpose for the exam and your rights and options, are you waiving the exam today?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that that means your next court date will be at the circuit court level, not at the district court level where I'm at.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you're doing this freely and voluntarily, is that correct?
Correct.
Mr. Schulman, are you satisfied with the waiver?
Yes, defense is satisfied.
All right, so the AOI date is 2 weeks down the road, which would make it the 5th.
Yep.
9 a.m. I will continue bond and wish you fellas luck downtown. Anything else?
No, Your Honor. And Mr. Hayes, I'll give you further instructions as to the judge, the date, and how we're going to proceed. Thank you, Judge.
Thank you.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
Take care.
We ready on Filson?
Yes.
Filson?
Today's free trial, or what we got some set for, I think you did them. Mr. Wilson, please, help state your name for the record. So, Your Honor, this was originally a stalking allegation. After having a chance to try the matter, go through discovery, review options, the people in my I have reached an agreement where the original charge of stalking would be dismissed, and the malicious use of telecom will be entered. There is a recommendation, Your Honor, for a 12-month period of HIDA. Respectfully, Your Honor, we're asking the court to depart from that just slightly. What we're asking for in this instance would be a 6-month period of HIDA. As I originally
Who prosecuted this? Okay. Okay, you're here. Okay, go ahead.
Your Honor, that's the recommendation. We understand where they're coming from. We would ask you simply that the court adopt a 6-month period of HIDA probation. Reason being, a couple.
Hold on, who's that guy?
Your Honor, he's a stranger to this court.
Good to see you in person. Yeah.
Your Honor,
Go ahead.
do not take it out on me with this client because my co-counsel's presence.
Go ahead.
Your Honor, if I can think of an individual who would be a great candidate for a little bit of a break from the court, it would be this individual. This case has been pre-tried extensively. There's been multiple adjournments. Throughout this whole period of time, my client hasn't had one single bond violation or allegation. He's done that despite the fact that he's presented me with evidence of the complainant reaching out, and I won't call it extortion, but essentially saying, come on, let's get back to child support, let's get back to a parenting agreement, we can make this case go a different direction. He resisted the urge and did the right thing all the way through. He's shown maturity, he's shown responsibility, he's thinking about his kid first. I understand that the people have their positions to 12 months. I would say they've got a long road ahead of them in the Third Circuit family courts. There's paternity to sort out as far as getting.
How old's kid?
How old child?
Oh, baby. Go ahead.
So you see kind of where we're going with this, which is everything that would be a normal recommendation we would ask the court to adopt, and just instead of having this 12-month where that can be basically fodder for what would look like possible custody issues down the road, we give him the opportunity to do what I would say he's already kind of done 6 months on probation, because He hasn't screwed up in any way, resisted the urge to respond, to defend himself in text message or through family members. There's no criminal history, no conviction from the young man's record. He's a long haul truck driver, so he's often away from Michigan for pretty extended periods at a time. For all of those reasons, we think he would be a good candidate for a downward departure if this court would entertain us on this.
Okay. Who do you work for? How long you been with them? Okay. How long you been trucking? Okay. All right.
So kind of the beginning of a fledgling career.
Yeah. Any priors?
Yes.
I'm inclined to do a PSI. Do you think we need a PSI?
I think the victim is here today, but if we're talking about alternatives, willing to leave it to the court's discretion. Yes.
Yeah, let's do a full-blown PSI, and then I'm more likely to listen to your deviation request.
Understood. So he's saying you had meet probation, you're trying to deviate, and then the license for the recommendations and prevents the next 6 months while I'm still the recommendation.
So let's get to the plea. Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Hadley? Your rights and options.
Yeah.
You understand all that? You understand the possible penalty for the malicious use of a telephone device? Understanding all that, are you pleading guilty to that charge today? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily? Would you voir dire, Mr. Hadley? I've got an incident date shown June 25 this year.
June 25 of 2025, were you present in the county of Wayne? I want to say this was Township.
Romulus.
City of Romulus, County of Wayne, State of Michigan. Yep. Okay. By that date and time, you sent some text messages to the female that you had a child in common with. Yeah. Okay. And some of those messages, did you make insulting or harassing statements? Yeah. Okay. And actually, I would say I think we're pretty well satisfied.
I think that does. Mr. Lecky, you satisfied? All right, I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss the original. I'll continue the bond. I'm going to send you downstairs. Just go up to the counter. They'll schedule for you to come back and meet with one of the probation officers. They'll put together a report and recommendation. You'll have a chance to go over it with Mr. Hadley. I'll see it. The three of us will have some more conversation. I'll decide what the sentence should be. Understood? No, unfortunately, it won't all be today. Yeah, but we'll try to schedule around you. We don't want to cause you to lose your job. All right? All right.
Judge, so that was malicious use of telecommunication?
Telecommunication device, correct.
Perfect, thank you.
Latanya Seabury.
Yes. Hold on. I am trying to get back.
Is Miss Walred in the courtroom?
Yes.
Oh, there she is. Thank you.
Go ahead, counsel, your appearance.
Good morning, Madam Walred. 85665 on behalf of Miss Latanya Seabury, who appears by way of Zoom. I think that her audio is working, but I'm not sure if she's able to turn on her camera. Ms. Seabury, can you state your name for the court? You did now, you might have to do it again.
She had both on earlier, but there she is. And now unmute. Yep, very good.
Miss Seabury, just say your name for me.
Yes, hold on. What happened to the video?
You're fine. Just say your name.
Latanya Seabury.
Thank you. Counsel, I can't read this. It says something pretrial stage.
We are just asking to set for a preliminary examination, I think.
Okay. Okay. All right. Heather, what are our exam dates?
November 26th or December 3rd.
Hear those, counsel?
Unfortunately, yeah. November 26th, I am available. That date would work.
Okay. Heather, you want to do it at noon?
12:30.
12:30? All right, Miss Seabury, November 26th, 12:30, live my courtroom. Understood?
Yes, sir.
All right. Counsel, bond continued.
Thank you.
Have a good day, Miss Seabury.
Good check. Did you run those back?
Counsel, anything else ready?
I have Miss Shimmery and then I have Miss Hester, who I think is not going to break out.
Miss Shimmery, activate your camera. Same date.
Thank you.
Miss Shimmery, can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Can you see me?
I can, thank you. How about November 26th, 12:30 for your exam date?
I can make that happen. Yes.
Bond is continued. We'll mail you a notice. We've also got some stuff here. A disorderly person from Van Buren Township. Looks like you owe $354. We haven't seen any money since July. Can you get back on track with some kind of regular payments?
I'm trying with everything going on. I'm really trying. Yes, I will get back on track.
If you want to talk about options on how you can resolve this without $354, it's easier to do it in person, but come in here and talk to Community Enrichment. That's Mr. Taylor, and he'll tell you what some options are that could be some time to help close this out with some charity work or something.
Thank you. I
All right.
appreciate it. Thank
You're
you.
welcome. And counsel, who was the other one? Hester. And Miss Hester, you can hear me all right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Counsel, your parent for Miss Hester.
This Crystal Hester, issues in a alcohol treatment facility.
Oh, great. Where are you at?
I'm at Foundations Group Recovery Center in Columbus, Ohio.
Beautiful. How many days clean you got?
About 40.
Good for you.
I'm actually in with my therapist. She said
That's
she's
the
gonna
best
look at-
reason in the world to be Zoom.
Yes.
All right, go ahead, counsel.
Had a couple of pieces because there has been a change in the attorney.
Okay.
I was out of state rep for the examination, but anticipating that I might need to file something asking, for example.
Can we give you that November date? That give you enough time to file if you're going to? Good, thank you. All right, Miss Hester, exam
Yes,
is
sir.
going to be the 26th. Unless council files some kind of motion, she'll keep you informed on that.
November 26th,
Yep. 12:30.
12:30.
I'll continue your bond and I'll wish you luck. Keep up the good
Thank you
work.
so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome so much. You're welcome.
Mr. Mays, did you need to speak to the prosecutor or you? Or
Yes, I do, please.
It's Mr. Mohammed.
Mr. Zelnick, are you ready
it's
on
domestic.
Trevette?
Okay, thank you.
Am I done?
You can stay there if you want.
Like the old days.
Miss Hester, you're all set.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
I see the famous, and I put that on the screen. Just go tell you.
Good morning. That's a nice tie.
Oh, I thought I had a bet. I thought you see.
Pretty tie. Yeah, very nice. Good morning. All right, we're gonna set an exam for Miss Trevette.
Because I'm asking for their exam. I know it's shocking to the.
I know. Yeah.
And I certainly hope we don't get to entertain you. I'll let you pick the date where it's here. 26th work, it sounds like you've got a load, but that might be a good day to set.
Yeah, we'll set one of the two. Heather, you want to set Mr. Zelnick's exam at 1 o'clock on the 26th?
Yes, please.
How's that?
Should be next thing I think, guys.
It should be right in there.
I have something to celebrate. I think one of us failed in Jamaica.
Oh, good. Good for you. All right. Well, you know I'm going to make it move fast. November 26th work for you. All right. Your bond is continued. If you have a seat, we'll get you a printed notice.
Judge, thank you.
Good luck. You're welcome.
Take a seat right there. Judge.
Heather, anything online?
No. Nope, not yet.
Morning, Mr. Kaplan. How are you today? You can bring it here. And it still works.
Works. Judge, I'm not a technical guy.
Oh, I'm not either.
Yeah. Well.
What are we doing with Tackett, Mr. Kaplan? Is that you? Okay. All right. Hey, Heather, do you know where all that background noise is coming from? Oh, there it is. Found it. Hey, Tim. Mr. Robinson was in here and then he left again. So just tell him I'm ready. Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you.
Mr. Bell, just so that you know, I did call Mr. Collins again. He said just give him a couple minutes. He is in another court. He's going to zoom on in a few minutes. Judge, can you grab Mr. Hedwig or Hedwood, Hedwood? We had to adjourn that because they did not have an attorney for him. So if you just set that
So you
aside,
want
now
to
grab it.
you want to just send it back to you?
Yes, please.
Yep.
Mr. Dillon, are you all set on yours? Mr. Dillon, you're all set? Mr. Mahika, are you ready?
Yes, yes.
Who was your guy?
Joseph Edwards.
Joseph Edwards. Where did he go?
Word.
He didn't hang up, did he?
No, he's in he should be in MDOC custody, so they should have him zoomed on.
Right, but I mean, yeah, you were just speaking to him, correct?
Correct, yeah, I was speaking to him about less than 7 minutes ago.
Yeah, he's gone now.
Okay.
Mr. Mays, are you ready?
We're going to seek a long adjournment,
A what adjournment? I'm sorry.
a lengthy adjournment if we could, please. The parties in this case might be able to resolve their disputes through civil, and it's my understanding that that's getting underway.
December 3rd or longer?
Longer if you could, please.
Are we just adjourning the PCC, Mr. Mays?
No PCC, it's misdemeanor.
Pre-trial, I'm sorry.
Yes.
You want to just send a notice out for sometime in January after you get a calendar set up, Heather?
If he wants that, or I mean, if he wants the end of December, I don't.
Let's do January if we could, because that'll give all the civil people time to do their thing.
All right, then it'll be to be determined right now.
Okay.
All right, I'll mail out notice.
Thank you very much. Y'all have a great day.
All right, Miss Johnson, we'll mail you a notice.
All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Mr. Dillon. Well, Mr. Mojica, what were you going to be doing with Mr. Edwards in case they don't bring him back on?
Sorry, just looking to set this for exam.
He's never been arraigned yet, though. Is that going to be a problem?
Well, today was supposed to be the PCC. So
Supposed to be the arraignment, PCC. He's in MDOC custody. They asked me to schedule this. Judge, I think on the front of that might have his prison information. I will try and call. I'm going to come out and grab that.
Yeah, hold on. I'll send it in.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hang tight, council. Let's see what we can do.
All right.
Yeah, that's it for, um.
Judge, they only give 1 hour for the prison because they have them booked up back to back. They do not have any more time today.
So that would be good information to have before they close us down.
Yeah.
Uh,
I mean, they've been on for an hour and a half, so that's why they had to cut off.
I understand
Yeah.
they got to do something, but it's nice to let us know ahead of time. Then just set it for an exam. Mr. Dillon?
Nope, Mr. Mojica.
Oh, Mr. Mojica?
Yes. I'm
Did you
here.
hear that?
Yes, I did.
Let's just give you an exam date.
Okay. Thanks, Judge.
November 26th or December 3rd?
This December 3rd, Judge. Or Madam Clerk, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's fine. December 3rd, I have 12:30.
Works for defense.
All right, I will write him out.
All right, thank you. That was the only matter I had. Thank you, everybody.
Have a good day, council.
Yep, you too.
Good morning, Miss Maddock.
Yeah, and from this concert. Yeah, that's right, the phone already. I need to write it.
Name?
Yeah. Just came across.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Robinson, your appearance for Tackett.
Good morning, Brandon, Director Steve Robinson, here on behalf.
Good morning, Mr. Tackett. Mr. Tackett, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Robinson? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the purpose for a preliminary exam? You understand that if you waive the exam, that means your next court date will be at the circuit court level, not at the district court level where we're at right now. And understanding how that works, that's what you want to do? And you're waiving the exam freely and voluntarily today? All right, your arraignment on information date is going to be the 5th of November at 9 a.m. I will continue bond, and then I'm going to ask both of you fellas to sign something when I'm done with the paperwork.
Then it's back to Heather.
Mr. Zelnick, did we forget something?
Yes, Your Honor, it's very minor. I have the prosecutor's concurrence. It's to allow a police standby to pick up the vehicle owned by the defendant and her father.
Yeah, that's no problem. Yeah.
And it's funny too, because she was told third party by some Romulus police officer, they know this, they didn't get her. She just let it sit there. Sometimes I should ask more questions, Judge.
Yeah.
So you have no objection to going into a police stand?
No, there's a no contact between you and he. No, the police civil standby will not violate that. Yeah. That's fine. Yeah, yeah. Warn Dad that if he gets there and he's being refused the car, the cops aren't going to intercede. Are not likely to. All right.
File the plan of delivery.
Right. Right.
For you, Judge, you're all set. It's not a
Have a good one.
Sound like a scary creature.
We're all set. Good luck downtown. Yeah, it did. That was like a perfect Halloween sound effect.
And before.
Thank you. Heather, have you ever seen this?
So many people that had to be on.
Put olive oil on the plate, crack the egg, and then microwave. You ever microwave a fried egg?
Never would I ever.
I'm gonna try it.
Oh, microwave is like so bad. I don't like to microwave
Oh, I
things.
don't microwave. I don't microwave much at all. Water, I eat water.
45 seconds.
Judge, is Heather out there with you?
She's in her office.
I can't get her to answer. Okay. Mr. Melendez, as soon as we get your attorney, we'll have her talk to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Morning.
What's up?
Anthony Marcus Tucker.
Tucker?
Yes, you may have already seen the
Nope.
case. It looks like him with a probation file.
Yeah,
Um,
different files.
okay. Been reset already on the driving while suspended
Okay.
for a new date.
Mm-hmm.
His probation violation. He paid in full yesterday.
Okay.
There's a $1,300 fine in there. That's not. I don't know if the ROA is accurate.
Yep. Is that on the
Cause
drunk
they have
driving?
it late last.
That's probably the drunk driving. Yeah.
Shannon said he had other conditions. So I think she's going to reset him.
Yeah, so is this even scheduled today?
No, it's not. It's only because it's a warrant.
Okay.
So I can take those 2 files if you want.
And just leave the white file?
Yep, and send him down to probation. I already told him to check in with Shannon.
Okay.
Ms. Castow, do you want the prosecutor first, or did you want to speak to your client?
I can
Yep.
speak to my client first, please.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, just.
There's one other correction to your docket if I can make it.
Mhm.
Last name is Woods.
We'll get to it.
William.
Yeah.
Look at the case number. It's gonna be the CTN number.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
25-22.
Yeah.
I
We don't care as
believe.
long as.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay.
Yep. Thank you.
Judge.
Mr. Collins, are you ready on yours?
I am.
All right, let me bring out Mr. Bell. You don't need to re-speak to him?
Oh, I probably can do it. I'm gonna set another, ask for an adjourned PCC, and then I do need to go back in with him for a second.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, Judge, we're ready on Bell.
Counsel, appearance on Bell.
He needs to be arraigned, just so you know. Thank you.
Thanks.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harold Collins, P56805, on behalf of Mr. Tristan Bell, who is present on Zoom. State your name for the record.
You got to unmute Mr. Bell. I had to mute him, Mr. Collins, because it's too much background noise.
Not on my end, Judge.
No, on his end. That's why I
Oh,
said I
I'm
had
sorry.
to mute him.
Okay, okay.
Mr. Bell, can you unmute? You did it earlier. You muted yourself earlier. There, thank you.
Mr. Bell, state your name. Nothing.
Mr. Collins, were you able to hear him when you spoke to him?
I was.
Mr. Bell, can you just talk a little louder?
Tristan Bell.
Thank you.
Thank you. Counsel, what are we doing? First of all, would you waive formal reading for an arraignment purpose?
Yes, Judge, we would waive.
All right, go ahead. What do you want to do today?
Judge, we wanted to adjourn PCC day so I can look at this discovery and talk to Mr. Bell.
No. It's already been adjourned once.
Judge, that's not true. We haven't been able to even get Mr. Bell. There's been
October 8, 2025, Judge Martin wrote adjourn to October 22, 2025, 8:30 in the morning.
And Judge, that was
Collins
because
present, but no.
Right.
It says no what?
Right. No Mr. Bell.
Oh, you couldn't get him at MDOC?
No, we could not. We didn't know where he was, Judge.
Adjourn it 1 week.
What is that date, Judge, you're looking at?
Next week would be the 29th.
Oh, okay, it's doable, Judge.
Let's talk about bond, counsel. Police department wanted a cash bond. Is he in custody just on this files, or is he in custody on other things?
No, he's in custody on other matters, some out of Oakland County, I believe, Judge.
All right. All right, I'll put him on a personal bond on this one. Well, actually, probably better for him if he's got some cash bond, isn't it? So we can get some credit for today.
That's true, Judge. Yes,
All
absolutely.
right. Do 10,000, 10%. We can always relook at it, Mr. Collins.
Okay, that's fair.
All right.
I'm
Mr.
going
Bell?
back in with him, Judge, to a breakout.
You want
room.
another breakout room?
Yes.
All right,
I'll put
Heather.
him in. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Judge, and on Zoom, when they're done, we have last name is Melendez Ortiz. I don't know if you had pulled that one.
Ortiz is the last name?
Melendez hyphen Ortiz. And then also we have Buzek, Buszek. And they're ready for, I think they're just asking for another PCC.
What is Melendez Ortiz doing?
They are in custody on Zoom talking to his attorney right now. When she's done, I'm probably going to put her in with the prosecutor, but I just wanted to let you know.
Yep. Buzek's ready now?
Yes, Your Honor.
Your appearance, counsel.
Robert A. McCall on behalf of Mr. Buzek, Michael, Your Honor, Michael Buzek, who is present on Zoom.
Mr. Buzek, state your name.
Michael Buzek, sir.
Is it Busick?
Yes, it's Buzek.
Thank you. Counsel, what are we doing today?
Your Honor, I've had an opportunity to discuss with the assistant prosecutor. I have a stipulation that he has agreed to adjourn it to the court's satisfaction for a period of 2 weeks, if the court approves, for me to review a police report and then reconvene on a PCC. I'm willing to, my client is willing to voluntarily and knowingly waive the 21-day requirement for an exam, Your Honor, and he would waive that voluntarily and with full knowledge of his rights.
November 5th, 9:30, Judge Patton on Zoom.
Thank you.
What time was that, Heather?
9:30.
Bond will be continued.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good
luck,
day.
Danny.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
You guys are free to go.
Thank you, man.
Yep. Mr. Dillon, you're all set?
Yes,
Do you just need 7 or 14 days?
14 days. Would be great.
And it's just for a plea, correct, to pay?
Yes, that's correct. Yep.
All right, you're all set. I'll get the paperwork from Mohammed.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Yep. Bye-bye.
Native Americans follow.
Do these help the child? Ms. Casta, I'll put you in a breakout room with the prosecutor.
I think we lost the jail because I was in a breakout room and then it just.
Oh. Nope, he's still in there.
Oh,
It's waiting for you.
well, I was in there. Okay, let me join back.
How are you? Wonderful. Really?
We used to go in the back and.
It's almost 5 years now. Yeah. Actually, it's over 5 years now. Yeah. Yeah. Right.
They just stole my.
What's the name, Jamie?
Last name of Guston.
Thank you.
Gaston. My apologies, Gaston. Yeah.
Counsel, your appearance from Ms. Gaston.
Cleaner Cobble right appearing on behalf of Brianna.
And what are we doing?
For PCC in this matter, we are negotiating the terms and conditions of settlement. We anticipate settlement, Your Honor. Mr. Muhammad just has to get this one from APA again. And no objection to allowing us, if the court allows, go in on November the 5th, so that we can bring favorable resolution to this matter.
So we're just going to adjourn the PCC again? That's all right.
Is that at 9 o'clock?
Heather, PCC 9 a.m. on the 5th.
Yes, that 9:15 I'm gonna put it in, but yes,
Thank you.
All right, and that's with Judge Patton, correct?
correct.
All right, bond is continued.
Notice will be out there in just a minute.
Good to see you. Ms. Gaston, just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
Thank you.
Have a great day, counsel. Thank you. Thank you.
I got one for you. Oh, no, we're all good. Thank you so much. It was a really Thank you.
Ms. Casta, are you ready?
Yes.
Judge, we're ready on Melendez Ortiz, and we have Special Prosecutor Miss Brittany Maddox with us today.
All right, appearances for the people versus Melendez Ortiz.
On behalf of the people, P83204.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nancy Castro with NDS, appearing on behalf of Mr. Melendez Ortiz, P number 80549.
Thank you, ladies. What are we doing today?
Your Honor, if we can schedule this matter for an exam, please.
All right, do you have your client somewhere?
Yeah, I was just in the Zoom in the breakout room with him. Maybe he.
Oh, sorry. Let me bring him out. I thought he came out with
Right.
you.
Heather, you want to do this on the 26th or you special prosecutor, special day?
We don't have a lot of time in November, so the 26th is fine with me.
All right. Ladies, you're available November 26th, like what, Heather, 1:30?
Yep, 1:30. Or December 3rd.
The 26th is fine with the defense.
I'm
Ms.
available.
Maddox?
Yes.
All right, 1:30 on the 26th. Anything as to bond?
No, Judge. No.
Bond will continue.
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good day, ladies.
Thank you. Take care.
Ms. Khan, we are kind of stuck in limbo waiting for the Wayne County Jail to jump back on. Right now, Wayne County is in a breakout room with another attorney. So when they're done, we can bring Mr. Webster on, but right now we're kind of stuck.
Okay, not a problem. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ms. Casta, are you done with Mr. Melendez Ortiz, or did you want to speak to him again before we hang up?
I don't believe so, Mr. Melendez Ortiz. Do you have any other questions for me? Do you need me back in the breakout room?
No, I'm all set. Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
I was wondering why I was taking this from giving it to you.
Well, sweetie pie, did you explain it to him?
I said that's my job.
What does he think happens with these?
He says, well, he thinks it should be that to you. I said, well, I'm just expediting this by giving it to the judge to get the file ready.
He's been here for years. He's never brought them all in.
He said he thinks he should have given that to you. I don't know.
Okay.
Is there anybody coming in on this? It better be an attorney.
Says you needed to, Your Honor, as I said, I would leave, so or at least somebody.
Well, somebody's got to tell them the fines and costs, talk about the payment.
He gave it a write up and.
I'm assuming Mr. Clark is the attorney out there somewhere.
Mr. Clark's on Zoom,
Oh, all right.
or he
Where
was.
is he?
I don't know. Let me see. I don't see him now.
I got a plea agreement for A&R seal coating, but I don't have anybody to talk to. So,
Here, do you want me to call him back and make sure he jumps back on?
Heather?
Yes, Mr. Yes. Hi, Mohammed. What's up?
Well, Judge Oakley wanted to talk to him about a file.
Oh.
What's last name? Apparently Clark was on it.
AR.
A&R seal coating?
Yeah, did the defense attorney sign off, you know,
Yeah, he hung up.
before they called the case?
Yeah.
Because it's a misdemeanor, so.
Right,
it's
and I
not-
just tried calling him back and he's not answering. It's going to his voicemail. So, I mean, if anything, we'll just adjourn it out if he doesn't jump back on.
Cell phone, I'll give him a call.
Okay, thank you.
Is the judge coming back in?
If you want him to.
Well, oh, I thought he wanted to come in on that one. No, we're good.
No, because Mr. Mohammed has to figure out, he's going to call Mr. Clark.
Very good. Thank you.
We're good. Yeah, Dave, wow, I appreciate it. Very good.
It's being dropped.
Yeah,
Oh,
dismiss the misdemeanor and no please don't be traffic.
Stone Trucks. Okay. Are you here on Stone Trucks?
Go on the record.
Sure. Put your appearance on.
Sure.
Go ahead.
Or Your Honor, may it please the sound of the court, or you did in the hearing, but I Stone Trucks LLC. Your Honor, daytime scheduled for regular breach for the purpose of regular like wait formal raise and you.
Go ahead.
I did have an opportunity to speak to the prosecutor. We reached a resolution dismiss the original misdemeanor for motor care or whatever it says over there with that.
You know, it doesn't matter because I'm not taking the deal. Your client's into us for $12,000 going back over a year. They owe us $12,000. They're not paying their payments.
Stone Trucks LLC.
Yeah, Stone Trucks LLC, Jonathan Street, Dearborn. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 files from last year. An overweight from this year that's $10,000.
Okay, I was.
Yeah, we're not making deals with this company. I didn't think you did. I can set it for trial.
Can I call my client?
Sure. Yeah. Yeah, and I can get you more information about that. All I got is ticket numbers right now and amounts. But I can get you dates and everything else. Yeah, call them. I mean, I like making deals, but they got to follow through on their end.
I understand. I have no idea. Thank you.
Well, your timing was bad because we just had a judges meeting yesterday and we talked about one that's into the court for over 300,000. So
Yeah,
we're getting a lot tighter about accepting deals. No, I didn't think you knew.
What's going on here? So.
I'm listening if you're talking. You're talking about your jail guy?
Yeah, I'm still waiting on the APA to give me an audience. I'm headed back in there right now. Actually, I take that back. I got the right APA. Mr. Brooks is, I can, go on Mr. Brooks. We're getting into German on that one. I don't remember that yet, though. Do we need, Your Honor, I need to get a write up on that one for you.
Not if you're just doing a German.
Thomas Brooks. It's non-domestic.
We're just gonna adjourn a pretrial?
It's Adam. So I think we need to address array. No, it's everything stays in place. I just need to get discovered.
How far out you wanna go?
I hate to keep clogging up that same date, but I think December 3rd is probably safest bet right now.
We still got time, 9:30.
Yeah, thank you, Heather. I just want to make sure I didn't overload that document.
Where's Brooks at?
I'm sorry.
Brooks,
On
where's
Zoom.
Brooks at?
You don't Zoom, Your Honor, Mr. Thomas.
Mr. Brooks, can you hear me all right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hadley wants to adjourn this till December 3rd, 9:30. That work?
Yes, sir.
Bond is continued. We'll mail you a notice.
My apologies, Your Honor. He is in Florida that he's moved, so we just asked for permission to go on Zoom on December 3rd.
Whose docket is the 3rd?
It's ours, Judge.
We got any Zoom?
We will, because it's a state day, yes.
All right.
Phenomenal. Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Brooks, be in touch, sir.
All right, thank you.
Again. Yeah.
Am I free to go?
Yes, Mr. Brooks.
If you're trying to talk, you're muted, Judge. I don't know.
I need an extension for Carol so I can check a payment thing.
Try 212 if she's at her desk, 201 if
She's
back there.
doing arraignments right now with Judge
All right.
Patton.
Heather, can you run Stone Trucks LLC in the computer and see when the last time they made a payment?
Yep.
Yeah, as long as they're up to date with their payment plan, we're all right.
Okay, please, thank you.
See, nothing on that one.
Yeah, they don't tell me this stuff, you know?
No,
Yeah.
yeah, just go take care of it. Or take care of it.
Yeah.
I see a payment June 25th. Let's see about this one. Yeah, June 25th was the last time they made a payment.
Yeah.
Okay,
But you can just let them know that they're putting you in an untenable position.
right,
Because now you've lied to the court.
yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
for sure.
I'll adjourn it till they can
Okay.
do something substantial.
So, the next adjournment.
Just so you,
Mr. Clark, whenever the judge is done with what he's doing now, we'll call the A&R. Was it A&R?
That's correct.
Okay. Unmute yourself, Judge.
who's doing arraignments on the 5th?
arraignments or,
Excuse me, pre-trials.
Judge Patton?
All right, so on stone trucks, we're just gonna adjourn it. So counsel can get his client straightened out a little bit and then Zoom it instead of coming in person.
All right,
You're welcome. 10 o'clock?
that's fine.
Yeah, same deal.
Yeah, I'll just leave the deal on the file.
And
As a matter of fact, I'll make a note for entry a plea.
okay. How much does he have to pay? Okay, thank you.
Wait, is it a pre-hearing?
No, it's.
No, it's a
Oh.
pre-trial.
Oh,
They've got a
okay.
deal worked out, but I want to see some payments from the company before we take this new deal.
I got it. I'll make notes too.
Well, that's what they got. So,
It's a,
I'll tell you what. So 1550 would take care of everything except for the overweight. That's a pretty good show of good faith.
so 1550?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Information or anything like that?
Yeah, I could.
Hey, Jamie, can you get him Judge Patton's Zoom info?
Sure.
You
no
guys
problem.
got that out at
I can
the
get that.
kiosk?
You won't even have to write down, I'll give you a copy.
Amazing.
What did I do, 10 a.m.? Did I say 10 a.m.?
So 1,550.
And I'm gonna make a note so Judge Patton knows that. All right?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
you're welcome.
Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. And sorry about that again.
No. But trust me, I didn't think for a minute that you were trying to snow me. Not for a minute.
Thank you. Go on.
Mr. Young, if I mute you, do you know how to unmute?
Excuse me?
Do you know
It's
how to
kinda loud in here.
I know it is. Do you know how to unmute if I mute you? All right, yep,
Can
hit
you
the
hear
button
me?
again. Yep, but I'm gonna mute you so that when we're ready for you. All right, Judge, we're on A&R seal coating.
Seal coat. Appearance for A&R Seal Coat, Mr. Clark.
Judge, good morning, John Clark on behalf of A&R Seal Coating. Judge, my client, Mr. Rosselli, who's the president of A&R, I believe is logging on. I guess there was a miscommunication this morning. I'm not sure if you need him. We do have a
I think I need it, Mr. Clark. You got corporate authority to handle this matter today?
I do.
Yeah, so you've talked to the prosecutor about breaking it down to a civil infraction, right?
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right, so I'll accept a responsible plea from you to the no proof of registration, civil infraction, fines and costs $200, and I'll dismiss the misdemeanor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
And pay in 7 days, what do they need?
Yeah, that works. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, counsel.
Thanks, Judge.
You're welcome.
All right.
Hey, Michelle, can you hear me?
I can.
On stone trucks, I set that for November 5th.
Yep.
I told the attorney that currently the company owes a bunch of tickets. One of them's a $10,000 overweight. There's a number of $300 tickets. I told him to pay $1,550. So the only thing outstanding was the overweight
Oh, okay.
that they supposedly got a payment plan on, but they're just not making payments.
Gotcha.
So I wrote all that in the file, but just so Judge Patton knows why it's coming back in front of her.
Okay.
Thanks. What do you
Mr.
got, Josh?
Hamed, you
I
have Mr.
moved him.
Alizani with you?
I already, I tried to move him. Didn't he
Yeah,
move?
you did. Yeah, he did. Okay, yep, we're ready on Young, Judge.
Appearance on Young.
I am now.
Young or Young Blood?
Todd Young.
I don't have a file.
Todd Young is coming in right now. Is that from?
This is Wayne County Jail.
I don't have a paper file.
Is that Young?
Yes,
Okay.
but I don't have a file. You can check and see if it was taken.
It's one, so. You got a file on Young? The case file?
Got young blood. What are we doing on the file?
Your Honor, reach plea resolution.
Yeah, I got no file. All right, appearances for the People versus Todd Young.
People here are two collective hearing on the people pleading for.
Thank you, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Adley, on behalf of Mr. Todd Young, who's joining us from Wayne County Jail via Zoom. Mr. Young, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Please state your name for the record, sir.
Todd Wilson Young Jr.
And Your Honor, as stated, date time set for retrial, we have reached a resolution in this matter. Plea form has been presented to the court. There are 4 pending misdemeanors in this matter. There's a resisting obstructing a police officer, a false report to officers, a domestic violence, and an assault and battery. My client will be tendering a guilty plea as to the domestic violence charge. The other 3 misdemeanors shall be dismissed.
All right, that's not what the plea agreement says. Plea agreement says count 2 and count 3 would be dismissed. What's count 4?
But I'll also include that. See that on the file.
It's written up on the document, Your Honor. I'm just reading off of.
And I don't have a file, so I can't confirm what the complaint says.
Give me one. So why don't, since I misstated the plea offer, Your Honor, what has been presented to the court?
I've got a plea agreement that says plea to domestic violence, count 1, 750.812. There's some sentencing recommendations, including a 769.4A, and then dismiss count 2 and 3. You got it?
Yes.
Wonderful. Hold on a minute. Let's see what the complaint's got. The complaint's got 4 counts. So Mr. Leckie, you're saying dismiss all?
Yes, sir.
That's fine. All right.
It's still the tendering the guilty plea as to domestic violence. The other 3 charges will be dismissed.
Correct. Correct. All right, Mr. Young, did you discuss your rights with Mr. Hadley?
Yes, I have.
You understand your rights and the options those rights present?
Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the charge of domestic violence?
Yes, I do.
Understanding all of this, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Just a correction. On the complaint, count 3 is the domestic violence. So we're going to take a plea to count 3, dismiss counts 1, 2, and 4.
Yeah, apologies for that.
That's all right.
Count 3? What is that?
Mr. Young?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Young, the court was just clarifying the charges, or all the 3 charges as we discussed are being dismissed, pleading guilty to domestic violence. The only confusion was as to which one was 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Understand?
No, I really don't understand.
All right, you're going to plead guilty to domestic violence, yes?
Yes, I will.
Okay. All
So
the
what
other
is it?
charges against you from this incident date would be dismissed. That means
Okay,
an assault and battery, count
Yes.
4, count 2, which is interfering with a crime report, and count
Yeah.
1, which assault, resist, or obstruct attempt of a police officer. So those 3 go down when I take your plea to domestic. Understood?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. And you understand the possible penalty for the domestic violence charge?
Yes, I do.
All right. And you understand your rights?
Yes, I do.
All right. Understanding all this, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
On August 19, 2025, were you in the township of Van Buren?
Yes, I was.
And did you lay your hands or put your hands on Alyssa Millspaw without her permission?
Well, I really didn't put my hands on her, but I was defending myself. There was a male there.
Okay,
We
stop
had
right there.
we
Stop
had
right
a-
there.
Okay. I'm sorry, sir.
It's okay. If you're certain that you act in self-defense, the court is not taking your plea, then we're setting the case for trial.
No.
Okay, so what he's asking is, on the date and time he stated, did you make an unwelcome or unpermitted touch?
Yes, I guess so. Yeah, fine.
No, no, seriously, there's no I guess so. This is either you did or didn't. No one wants you to plead to something you didn't do.
Yes. Yes.
This is where we got in the previous time, and this is why I was adjourned to this date.
Mr. Young, let's do it this way. Tell me what happened between you and Alyssa on that day.
We were arguing. She ran outside. I sat at the table. I heard voices outside. I opened my front door, walked on the front porch. There was a male out there talking to her. He turned around, acted very violently, grabbed me by my leg, pulled me down my steps. I fell on top of my grill where I burned my arm right here. I have the scars on my arm still. And I got into a fight with him. I chased him down the street.
What about you and Alyssa? What about you and Alyssa?
I saw Alyssa sitting at the corner by the stop sign. I chased the guy down the street, and then I turned to the right where I saw the police officers coming down the street in their car.
Okay, so nothing between you and Alyssa?
No.
Okay, you never threatened her, you never touched her?
I never threatened her at all.
We'll set it for trial.
Mr. Young, you're having a trial.
Mr. Young, you understand that when you set a trial, you have two options. You can set it for a bench trial, which means I would hear the case, I would make all the decisions, or you could set it for a jury trial, which would mean the jury would decide the facts and I would still make the decisions based on the law. Do you understand the difference?
Yes.
All right, what do you want to schedule?
Well, I got some other things going on right now. I'm being held on,
None of that matters to me. I just need you to tell me what you want and then we'll figure out when we can do it. You want a bench trial or you want a jury trial?
What's the difference?
I just told you, a bench trial, all the decisions would be made by the judge. Factual decisions like, did you touch her? Did you not touch her? Those would be made by me. Legal decisions, does this law apply or does that law apply? Those would be made by the judge. With a jury trial, the factual decisions are made by the jury. The legal decisions are made by the judge. Understood?
I'm not sure it is.
I'd just like to get it over with, honestly.
That doesn't help. Do you understand those options I explained or not?
Yes, I do. I understand.
Okay. Then you need to make a decision. Do you want a bench trial or a jury trial?
A bench trial is fine.
All right. Heather, when can we schedule a bench trial?
The December 3rd date, because Josh is here with us.
You want to do that at 11?
What's Josh saying?
He's worried that there'd be too much morning stuff hanging over at 11.
Okay, we can do 1 o'clock.
All right, Mr. Young, December 3rd at 1 p.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, we'll see you then.
All right.
Mr. Young, can you tell the jail if they can put Mr. Webster on? You're done. Walk back and tell the deputy to get Mr. Webster.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on, Mr. Young. Hold on. Stay where you're at. The attorneys are still talking here.
We've had now, this is about stop, the exact same issues. We've gone over this, I would say at length, and we're not making any progress. I have reasons to believe maybe Mr. Young is not understanding what the difference between a jury, a bench trial, and what his rights are. Because within the past few minutes, obviously, we've had a couple of out faces. I don't know if, again, he's being held at Wayne County, but we just go ahead and get a competency evaluation working.
I think that's proper.
All right, I'll order a competency.
Thank you. No, the delay, but I think in this case, it's probably necessary.
All right, Heather, got that?
I got the competency, but what else did he say?
Just order a competency.
Okay, thank you.
While he's in custody.
Alrighty.
All right.
All right, Mr. Young, can you go grab?
Now we're done with you, Mr. Young.
Tell the deputy we need Mr. Webster.
Heather, did Mr. Jadala contact you?
He just said he was running late.
I believe Lane is, he's asked me to cover the 5, 6 cases he got up for FPTs right now. I'm not sure if he's still coming or not, but I just give you a heads up. I'm gonna try to start moving through those.
Thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you.
We have more in Zoom.
Webster shares.
Hi,
Okay.
Mr. Webster. I will put you in a breakout room with your attorney, Miss Khan.
We
Mr.
got
Webster,
anything ready
first,
on Zoom?
do you know how to unmute yourself? It's to your left. There should be a button. And just so Josh knows, Mr. Webster also has 2 other cases that are misdemeanors that he needs MIDC on as well. It's to your left. Look over at the machine. Do you see the button that says mute and unmute? You're going to have to go grab a deputy. Mr. Hamad, are you ready?
Yes, we are ready.
And you have Mr. Waleed with you?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay. No, Judge, the last name is ALAZZANI.
Got it. Counsel, your appearance for Elazani.
Yes, good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Mosabi Hamid, P34663, appearing on behalf of Waleed El-Azani. Mr. Azani, tell the judge your name. Waleed El-Azani. Yeah, today's date scheduled for a plea in this matter. I talked to the prosecutor. They're moving to dismiss the felony charges and allow him to take a plea to the misdemeanor charge of receiving and concealing less than $1,000.
Yep.
I advise Mr. Azani of his constitutional rights. He wishes to waive those rights and take advantage of the plea offer. Is that correct, Mr. Azani? Yes. You have to speak up. Yes.
Thank you, counsel. Sir, do you understand your rights and options?
Yes.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the misdemeanor charge?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that misdemeanor today freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
Counsel, the incident date I've got is May 29, 25. Could you voir dire to get the facts that support the plea?
On that day, question, were you in possession of a vehicle that did not belong to you? She gave me the keys. But it didn't belong to you, correct, sir? It didn't belong to me, but she's my friend. And there came a time when she reported it stolen, correct? Her husband did. She wasn't. She said she's not. She made a mistake. He didn't know it was me. And did you return the car to her, or did the police take the car? The police took the car. I was on my way to her. I had to pick up her stuff from Roundlands.
Mr. Ahmed, are you satisfied that the facts to support the plea have been met?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll accept the plea, dismiss the misdemeanor, or excuse me, dismiss the felony. What should I know about Mr. El-Azani before I sentence him?
Mr. Azani is going through treatment, Your Honor. He's had some issues with substance abuse. He's doing pretty good right now. He had some.
Where's he treating at, counsel?
What agency were you in? Where? Yeah. For the drug abuse? What's the name of it? He's still seeing a psychiatrist and dealing with the substance abuse,
Okay.
Your Honor.
All right. Any prior criminal history?
He had a previous misdemeanor charge in the past for, what was it for?
Speak up, Mr. El-Azani. I'm trying to listen.
What was it for? What was it? What was your when you jail before last time? What was the last time for information? For what? Information. What was for possession of marijuana, Your Honor? It was a while back.
All right. Is he working?
Not yet, Your Honor. He's I'm starting tomorrow. He's gonna be starting another job this week.
All right. And I've got his address on Bloomfield in Melvindale. Is that correct?
That is correct. He lives with his parents.
All right. Anything else I should consider before I sentence?
Your Honor, we would ask for fines and costs and probation in this matter. He is a permanent resident, trying to avoid the deportation. How long were you in custody? 4 months. He was in custody, he was jailed for this matter, for, immigration put a detainer on him. He was in custody for 2 months. We would ask for time credit for time served.
All right. I'm gonna put him on a new 12-month non-reporting probation. That just means stay out of trouble. I'm ordering $500 fines and costs. We'll apply the bond you've got posted, take care of the money end of it. I'm sentencing you to 60 days credit. So basically just stay out of trouble and you're done with us.
Thank you
Understood?
very much, Your Honor.
Mr. Alizani, you understand that?
Thank you so much, yes.
Have a good day, gentlemen.
Thank you, you and your staff, Your Honor, have been very kind to us.
You're welcome, counsel.
Hello?
Hey.
Sir, please step right here.
Name?
GWITT. Yes. And how do you pronounce that? Gwit, GWITT.
Good morning, Mr. Gwitt. Counsel?
Hello, Judge Maria. Appearing on behalf of the defendant, Albert Witt. I need a little bit more discussion.
Pick a Wednesday.
When we get the first one in December, is that too late?
No.
I got a couple of trials in November, and I don't know the date, so I'm.
What date is he asking, Judge?
First Wednesday in December.
December 3rd, that's with us.
Okay.
What time you want to do it, Heather?
We can do 9:30, or what's good with Mr. Duncan? Do you need later in the morning? Because we have all the way to 10:30.
Let's do 10:30, and that's okay, Judge.
Mr. Gwitt's already been arraigned, so bond will be continued. And Mr. Gwitt, give us a minute. We'll have a notice for you. Take a notice. Have a lovely day, Mr. Duncan.
Miss Khan, did she come out? Did your attorney leave, Mr. Webster?
Yes, ma'am. She said we was about to go on record or something. I don't know. She is not now. And they just clicked me. The officer just clicked me back on the screen. I don't
Okay.
really know what's going on.
All right. Hold
Sorry.
on. Nope, you're good.
My-
Well done.
I'm working on that paperwork for you guys, okay? Counsel, you good?
Good, I was gonna see if Pat is still there, remember one client.
Yeah, I don't think he's left, actually, Kathy. I think he's in office. Yeah.
Jamie, you grabbed that notice?
I'm gonna grab, I didn't hear the machine work yet.
Oh, the judge said that he heard it, but he didn't know if you did.
Okay. Okay.
Miss Khan? So I know that you're on Mr. Webster's felony. Do we need to let him speak to MIDC on his 2 misdemeanors?
Yes.
Okay. So, what are you guys doing on yours?
Studying for exam.
Okay. Anything on bond?
Requesting for bond to be changed.
Okay, then I'll have the judge talk to you about that. When you guys are done, I'll throw him in a breakout room with MIDC. Thank you.
Yeah.
Heather, can you actually tell me, are the misdemeanors attached to the same case or is it a separate case?
They're 2 separate cases. It looks like from 2021. There's an assault and battery and then a case of domestic violence.
Okay. All right.
Counsel, your appearance on Webster.
The defender service by our son, CA 6948, with behalf of Charles Webster, who appears that he's doing. Yeah, Mr. Webster, sir, can you please state your name to the record?
Charles Webster.
Thank you, Mr. Webster.
Yeah. It's that for preliminary information day. I'll come back to it.
All right, so Heather, our exam dates. Oh, hold on, this is the wrong file.
Sorry, if she was asking about, I couldn't hear anything.
Yeah, we need exam date, but I want to make sure what we're talking about.
Okay. And remember, he has 3 of them, so.
Yeah, so we're setting on all 3? Is that
No, she's just talking about felony. I have to get him in with Josh on the 2 misdemeanors from 21.
Got it. All right. So the case number ending in 1042, 2025 home invasion is a top count. All right. So that one you want an exam date. So November 26th or December 3rd.
November 26th.
What time, Heather?
We can do 1:30.
That work, counsel? All right. And by my notes, I set the bond at 10,000, 10% with GPS tether and no contact with complainant. So go ahead. Hold on. I should probably have a prosecutor in here. Who's the prosecutor on this? Is Mr. Mohammed?
Yes.
Webster, Charles Webster.
I'm bringing him back in on Zoom unless he comes in person sooner.
Uh-oh, they're gonna double team you, counsel. Gentlemen, council's making a bond argument on Webster. Current bond is set at 10,000, 10%, GPS tether and no contact.
Your Honor, I would ask for this, court to modify, that's one that Mr. Webster has been in custody for a number of days. He's unable to secure the funds, for that bond. When considering bond, this court should consider a danger to society, and also, a history of failure to appear. I don't believe that has a history of failure to appear on these allegations. If it's an allegation second degree, the allegations are actually related to a hotel room. I've only been able to briefly look at the discovery, but I believe that, if not the strongest case, I think at best what people have is, receiving and concealing stolen property. He has strong ties to the community. He's living with his cousin. That's an adverse that he's been staying at for several years. He has employment. He works at, Nikki D's Pony Island, in a produce plant. I believe that he has strong ties to community. I do believe that personal bond with a GPS matter with house arrest with exception to work would satisfy any court's consideration of fears about danger to the community. And the GPS center obviously would accept the flight risk, which I don't think that Mr. Webster has history of failing to appear.
Thank you. Current bond is 10,000, 10%, GPS tether and no contact.
Does that include alcohol?
Nope, just GPS.
I know what you're calling.
Yeah.
In this case, we would not object to tether as long as he has alcohol.
All right, so you're all right with a personal bond as long as there's some other condition. Okay, all right. Counsel, my clerks have asked me to confirm a good address and phone number for Mr. Webster. Do you have?
Thank you.
Go ahead, address first.
1573.
Kenfield, that's what we got. Okay, how about phone?
313-759-0638.
7590638. Okay. All right. So Mr. Webster, your court date's going to be November 26th, 1:30. That's live, my courtroom. In the meantime, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. The no contact order still remains the same and the GPS tether remains the same, but we're also going to do an alcohol tether. So one will keep track of your location, one will keep track of your sobriety. You understand that?
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Your Honor.
So I'm going to ask you to raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $10,000 if you screw this up?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Any questions for counsel before I terminate the meeting?
No.
All right. Now we're going to put you in a breakout room so you can talk to another attorney about your two other files that are not felonies. Understood?
Yes.
All right.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome, counsel.
I'm also ready on Danny Adams.
Adams?
Not on Zoom, it has not appeared.
What did she just say? The defendant hasn't appeared?
Yeah, file
Oh,
name
okay.
is Adams, and I'm not finding an Adams. Oh,
Somewhere, might be right on the top here.
oh, here it is, here it is, here it is. So no contact with him? All right. Thank you, counsel.
Hey, and Judge, I'm sorry. I've had, sorry about that. Jacob Lecky appearing on behalf of the people, P888400. I know we may or may not be on the record. I just heard Danny Adams is being mentioned. The victim's been here since 9 o'clock. I just want to make the court aware of that.
I'll make a note in the file that the victim was here.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you, counsel.
Hey, Judge, I got counsel here, one that was scheduled for 9:30, said he has not shown it.
Give me a name, Royce. Hatcher? Hatcham.
Yeah, Lula.
I'm not having much luck finding files today.
Hashem is sitting in the prosecutor's office.
I'm looking for the files in the office?
Yep, the file's in the office.
Why are we losing files to the
I think
prosecutors
it's
today?
because Kaplan is old school.
No. Jamie, no.
So we stopped.
This is the third time today I'm looking for files because they're sitting in there. I'm
And
old school too.
Just so you know, Stone Transport is already here paying the $15.50.
Oh, beautiful.
Yep.
Beautiful. All right. So you can take off. We're just gonna put him in the no-show pile. Yeah. All right. How's everything going? Okay. Good.
You guys over here, I'm just so busy, like I don't have time.
It's good to be busy though.
I didn't get out of my house till 10:30 last night.
That's too much.
I have a couple deadlines, one on Monday, one on Wednesday, then.
Good.
Well,
Good. Good.
yep, everything good with you?
Good. Yeah, everybody's healthy. Everybody's healthy. Yeah.
One of these days.
Yeah, no, we're blessed. My mom, Memorial Day, my mom fell and broke both her kneecaps. But she's gonna be 96 in a couple weeks.
Wow.
She's getting around. She's walking around her house without her walker. She's going to church. She's getting out for family functions. Yeah, she's phenomenal.
Well,
Phenomenal. I'm telling you.
I hope
You know, and I get these guys here, they want their medical marijuana because they got back pain. And I'm like, I was over her house. This was a month ago when she's still.
Now, Judge, have you recommended that to your mom, maybe?
I said, Mom, how's the pain today? She said, probably a 5. I said, what are you doing about it? She said, I took a Tylenol 3 hours ago.
That's
Right?
That's the way my dad was.
Right.
Like,
Because she knows the pain meds aren't good for her.
right. Right. Yeah, and I mean, like a lot of the prescribed pain meds, they don't help the pain. They just get you high. No, it's like, great, I guess.
Right.
My knee.
And then constipate you on top.
Right.
Right. Yeah. No, my standard, when anybody says, how are you doing? That's my first thought is, my mother's 96 and she's a trooper, you know?
Yeah.
Everybody's healthy. Yeah. Good. Good to see you. So did you know that your partner is getting ready to do some guest bartending downtown?
Oh,
Yeah. I told him, I said, because the bar he's going to, I've been there, Avix, little neighborhood bar. I've been there one time before it was even opened up. It was like during COVID. And I said, you let me know. I got people. We're coming down. We're gonna make a night out of that.
I mean, him and I both, but in law school, we were both bartenders.
Yeah.
His wife, she does.
Yeah, that's what he told me. Yeah.
Stuff.
This bar, the guy, Eric, is a court officer over in 25th or 35th. And that's how I met him, as Stuart Judge Lowe. He's the 6th generation to live above the bar and operate the bar. 6th.
Josh, he's like the perfect personality for a bartender.
Yeah.
He can talk to anybody. He's funny. He's
Yeah.
friendly.
Yeah.
Well,
No,
I'll ask him.
I'm really looking forward to it. He says he's doing it.
He's doing it.
Yeah.
Tell me what it is. And I'll swing by.
Yeah. All right. Good to see you.
Hi, you're great standing in the civil department, either away from my. Hello, front counter.
Hey, do you see Sandy anywhere around?
Yes, she's at the counter.
Ask her to track me down when she's got a pause. Thanks.
Yep.
One of our cameras blacked out. I called Fred earlier. So, for the exam, I think we are gonna have to shut down and bring it back up
Fine.
if we need the witnesses on.
Hello. That was quick. Hey, next Wednesday, I'm trying to schedule something. Would you, when you get a chance, would you look at the mediations and see, what the latest one in the afternoon you've got service on? Thanks. Thanks. Appreciate it.
And I got Dean Parker ready to go. He's on Zoom.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Your appearance for Parker.
Josh Edmonton on behalf and with Mr. Dean Parker, who's joined us via Zoom. I think he may still be in my.
Yes, Steve.
I apologize.
Yes.
Stamp sheet to help save it good.
Oh, is he good?
All right, so two, yeah. Oh my God. All right, so 2 o'clock's going, nothing after that. Okay, thanks. Yeah, all right. Mr. Parker, can you hear me all right?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right, counsel.
You're actually Josh Hadley, bring on behalf of acting with Mr. Dean Parker. Mr. Parker, you can hear me okay?
Yes, I can.
We have reached a resolution in this matter. The pending, false identification will be dismissed. We'd be tendering a guilty plea to an attempted altered ID, false info, and with the court's ready for us, we have a very brief allocution.
Yes, sir.
All right, Mr. Parker, did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Kaplan?
Yes, I have.
Understood all that?
Yes, sir.
All right. And do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes, sir.
Understanding all of that, are you pleading freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes, I am.
Counsel, would you voir dire?
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm sorry, did you say the offense date?
9/23/25.
On 9/23/25, were you present at the Detroit Metropolitan Airport?
Yes, I was.
Okay, at that date and time, did you have a novelty identification that was in your wallet that was also next to your actual identification?
Yes, sir.
And did you hand TSA the novelty ID, the goof names?
Mistakenly, yes, sir.
You did. And but you do admit you had possession of an ID that was your picture, but not your name.
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I do think the elements have been satisfied. I think you kind of got a feel for what exactly happened.
I'll accept the plea. So what's the goof name?
Robert Johnson.
I don't get the humor.
There's no basis for it, so I said being used for anything different, it's just not. It's something that he completely had picked
All
up
right.
at some.
Yes.
All right, are you
I had no
working,
idea
Mr.
possession
Parker?
was illegal.
Are you working?
I'm a farmer.
How many acres?
14.
No, you're a gardener.
Yeah, truly.
All right. Anything else you want to tell me before I sentence you?
Yes, sir. My flight ticket was in my real name, and I did have my real ID, and I presented it as soon as the TSA agent mentioned back the goof name to me. That's when I was aware of me handing the
Okay.
wrong ID. It was not my
Okay.
intent to defraud.
All right. All right, I will sentence you to fines and costs only, $300. That money is due today, so I'm gonna give you 5 days to either pay it online or get online and make arrangements to get it paid. So
Yes,
just go
sir.
to our website, 34th District Court, Romulus, Michigan.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Questions?
No, sir.
You're all set.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Don't think we brought in a form yet. We have, Ms. Beckman. I rescheduled that. It was it was the final pre-trial. I think we had. We're setting this for a jury trial. Now,
PBD.
I'm guessing that's what probably,
Yeah.
we're looking at probably starting. The January dockets won't probably happen until next month. We'll get an idea of what.
I don't even know when my calendar is gonna be ready, so I can't help you with yours.
It's not, I'm not pressing the court, just more trying to get an idea of like, we're setting stuff.
I have no idea.
About that. So that'll be a TBD.
For January.
Okay, that sounds good. Do we need to go on the record at all for that one? You good?
No, we'll just mail a notice.
Did you catch that? It's gonna be a TBD. Okay. We'll wait, they're gonna, because it's gonna get set at the new year, you won't know exactly. Is that, was that back in there?
Yeah.
Okay. If you keep a stick of the file.
Judge, you wanna form for your file for?
I'll see. I know that.
So.
Hold it, yeah. Okay.
Give Webster with him, see if he can get done with Mr. Webster, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, we want to let the jail have their room.
We still have another person on. That they have to switch
I
out.
don't mind that. I'm not.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7,
I can do it before, didn't I?
8, 9, just take care of out there. That aren't even-
Hey, what's going on?
Real good.
9 before our exams. She's for exams. No, she does have, she has one, seven, 8, 9. Mhm. What, and that's that you have. Mhm.
She would probably. Ask if I were to say that big someone.
Well. That's the thing. You can't-
Need help with?
Yeah, we're taking. What's your, put one in. Okay.
Yeah. What?
Is that you guys know exactly.
His age is the only thing older, everything else is still fresh.
So that she's back out of the street.
She's sure that.
Yeah. The bad thing is,
I need to shut down the fume. Yeah, my laptop.
Everything out here is kind of just shut it down. They care Wi-Fi is taken down.
Well, it's been doing this for weeks now. My, and my laptop.
It's good. Yeah, ready to go. Cool, thank you. That's the end of it.
Hello. Just dragging.
Yeah. I thought they would change it.
No, I'm trying to walk and sit out there.
Hey, Glenn.
Yes.
Hello.
Judge arrested these past 2 weeks, only 6 exams, we're gonna be slain spots, which is crazy, because I just, you never know.
Again, we're not even getting the benefit of 6 exams.
Exactly.
It's not like it's for 6 exams, we're done before noon.
Right, yeah.
Mr. Hadley, your appearance for Mr. Webster, please.
Josh Hadley, on behalf with Mr. Charles Webster. Mr. Webster, can you please state your name for the record, sir?
Yes.
Just state your name.
Oh, Charles Webster. Sorry, Your Honor.
That's
I
all
couldn't
right.
hardly hear
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
I doubt it. The files are pretty old.
Yeah, so we're just setting this for the final pre-trial.
When?
His exams are December.
December 3rd, I think.
No, we have a big exam.
Today was a piece.
Webster, exam 11/26 at 1:30 today.
That sounds like a good pretrial date. What time do I do the pretrial?
Did you do 11/26 or just have somebody appear? Yeah, especially, I mean, if that's all that you think is gonna happen.
I will be in person and give him work that morning a little bit. We'll come up with either if I can appear on his behalf via Zoom if necessary, or if we just have it like.
We'll work it out. What time, Heather?
His exam's at 1:30. Is that a good time, Josh?
Yeah.
Oh, actually,
Yeah.
1:30, I'll be-
Yeah, let's do that.
Free trial.
CV to appear.
Yep.
Bond is continued. All right, Mr. Webster, we're gonna set these up at the same time we just set your exam. So November
Okay, thank you.
26th, 1:30 in the afternoon, your bond is continued. We'll see you then. Any
All right,
questions?
thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome, sir.
All right.
Don't get rid of it. Hey, bring in Miss, name, I think is her name. Or Mercy. That. Yeah. And let the deputy know that we need Miss Merzick.
You need who?
Haley Merzick. Haley
Okay.
Merzick.
Hey, excuse me, they need a Paley something. Who? A Paley person or something like that.
That's why I thought I'd give him the first name.
Romulus. D 1161C. On the back. 34th district. Right now, I'm here. That's why you just got him getting critical bomb or anything. Well, yeah, when they come back, yeah.
Oh, okay. You don't look like David. What's your name?
Highly Mirza.
Ah, all right, we're gonna put you in a breakout room with your attorney.
Okay.
That's a sir.
If your sling still shifts like speed pipe. Teacher walked into the classroom and.
I knew it would pay off.
Still working with alcohol and GPS. You have that.
Yes, I think the lunch is ready. Just, I'm getting secret. Oh, really? Yeah, you don't have to be, I didn't know. Yeah, from what I was told. They have it. Morning.
All
Guys, how are you?
Sounds good.
Who are you through?
Help of man, Anwar help of man.
Yeah. All right.
Wait.
Wait. Is seated.
Yes, he's.
All right. You got it. Good.
Go ahead, counsel, your appearance for Anwar Al Othman.
You're getting hours, I think I have to help. It was 57728.
Sir, just state your name.
Anwar Nasser Al.
And you're waiving your exam today? You discussed your rights with counsel? You understand your rights and the options those rights give you? You understand the purpose for an exam? You understand a waiver means the file is going to go downtown, so your next court date is going to be at the circuit court level, not at the district court where we're at today.
Yes.
Understanding all of that, are you waiving your exam freely and voluntarily today?
Yes.
Counsel, you satisfied with the waiver? So my AOI date is 2 weeks down the road, the 5th. That'll be at 9 a.m. I'll continue bond. I've got some notes to make in the file, and then I'm going to ask you two fellas to sign the waiver document.
This is the prosecutor. We got a red apologies. I'm the prosecutor.
You're all right. I'm assuming you're all right with the waiver.
Yes.
Ms. Moses, AOI is going to be 2 weeks down the road on the 5th. Counsel, if you would approach, yeah. Your signatures and then back to Heather. Yes. Good luck downtown, sir.
You guys are all set. Have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Thank you. Do you have instead of 4-day-old donuts?
Hey.
They're hard as a rock, but they love them.
Yeah. This last one is just
Sugar.
he had like a Starbucks in his hand. Did you notice that, John? When Haley, Missouri, he got up and he had like it was a coffee mug, like a Starbucks. He sat it down. But I'm sure it wasn't Starbucks.
Ready for Plum, Judge, VCC. Plum? I'm sorry. I apologize.
Got it. Counsel, your appearance for Plump.
Service by Summer Brush, number 85828, hang on. Who is this? Things come to the station in the ground. Very good point.
Thank you. What are we doing, counsel? November 26th or December 3?
He said, are there any earlier dates, Your Honor?
Nope.
No. Okay. I mean, those will be the last one to offer the 23rd.
26, you mean?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, November 26th.
That works?
Yes. Yes, that works.
And bond will be continued. Ms. Plum, just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
When is Thanksgiving?
Thursday, 27th. Yeah.
We've got felonies the 25th.
That's
26th.
Thank you.
Yeah. So I should be able to do something, get a formals on the 25th at 1. So I should be able to be at the board office by 3. What do you think, informals?
Yeah, for a moment.
Thank you.
Some. Bullshit.
That's it. That's it. Have seen every brand. You listen to first, Sammer? Yes. Okay, then just have a seat and come in and make it. You use Sammer off? I just know we use the first time to say that very good, 70. A driver? Yes.
Council, what are we doing on driver?
And asking for height.
Council, you got a plea agreement?
Yes, I just need Mr. Driver to sign it. I have to set some questions.
What are you doing, attempt? Are you thinking immediate sentencing or a pre-sentence investigation? All right.
Ready? Yeah, I'm ready. All right. He's gonna do it before we get the driver in. Is it okay? He's got 3. I got 4. I got 4 of them that are.
No, let's get him out of here.
Yeah, sorry.
He's ready. Let's go. I'll pull the files. Give me all the plea agreements.
Do you know what date, Tim?
Did you have 4 files?
Yes.
You got 4 plea?
I have Milton, Bryant, Nelson, and Kroger.
Milton?
Yeah, Melton, Bryant, Nielsen, and Kroger.
People versus driver.
Stephen Kaplan on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Neighborhood Defender Service by Summers Brush, number 85828. Sharon on behalf of Pendant Driver, who is present to my left. Mr. Driver, please state your name.
Have a seat, Mr. Driver. Counsel, I understand this is going to be a plea to attempt R&O.
Yes, Judge.
Mr. Driver, did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options those rights give you? Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty today? You doing so freely and voluntarily? Counsel, why don't you voir dire, give me the facts I need from October 3rd, 2025?
Driver, October 3rd, 2025, were you at, the Waverly Apartments in Van Buren Township? Yes, ma'am. And is this in the, County Wayne?
Yes, ma'am.
In state of Michigan? And, did you have interacting with the police officers on that date? And police officers attempt to arrest you.
Yes.
And during, this arrest, you were inside this apartment, right?
Yes.
And it was your sister's apartment?
Yes.
Okay, and while the officers were trying to arrest, did you resist the arrest?
Yes.
Okay. You tried to resist the arrest, okay. Defense is satisfied, Judge.
People are satisfied now.
I'll accept the plea to the added charge. Yeah.
Would you agree that the police officers will wear uniforms, which you want?
Yes.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll accept the plea to the added charge, dismiss the original. What should I consider before I sentence?
For Mr. Driver to be sentenced to a short term of probation under HIDA, the Pharmaceutical Training Act. Mr. Driver is only 18 years old, and Judge, he has a lot of goals in his life. He wants to finish high school. Unfortunately, Mr. Driver's schooling was interrupted. His father was incarcerated at several points in his life, which resulted in Mr. Driver's living situation being very unstable, not living with his family, living with his friends. His mom has unfortunately suffered a drug addiction all of Mr. Driver's life, so she has not been involved. So due to that, he has not been able to complete high school. He wants to, he has 2 credits left in order to do so. And he one day wants to be a lawyer. So he has big goals. I think that giving him HIDA with probation will give him a chance to have a fresh start when he shows support. And you know, society is becoming crime free and finish his education. And so I do believe he's an excellent candidate for HIDA, and we ask that be the sentence.
Any priors?
So he has a juvenile education.
Okay. All right. And how long has he been in custody?
The juvenile education taking place, that is going to be resolved on October 27th. He's going to remain in custody until then.
Okay. Good. Mr. Driver, your address on Enterprise, a good address?
That was the Wolverine address. Now I live with my father at 552 Whitfield.
5510
Yes.
WHIT City
Detroit.
Zip.
Oh.
It's all right.
It's 420.
313-629-8663, a good number? Okay. Any sentencing input?
Hey, Ben, we recommend reporting probation, no jail. He's not a public enemy number 1. I like hearing about his goals. He has the youthful trainee status. We leave that issue to your sound discretion.
Okay. All right. So where are you going to finish high school at?
Well, any hospital that we, I don't know, when they have worked with the high school. It was just that I was so in the mood of moving everywhere, I couldn't really finish.
Okay.
I do have one.
How are you going to pay for law school?
Law school, I actually took pre-law when I went to Covenant House.
Okay.
And I was doing it there until I had one week.
I don't care where you went. My question is, how are you going to pay for 7 years of higher education?
Right now, I don't fully know.
Got it. How about the military? So here's what you should do. I'm not going to order it because if I ordered it, they wouldn't take you. Michigan Youth Challenge Academy. They do 2 sessions a year. They start one the first week in January, they start another one in July. If you do this, and I'll help you do it if you want to do it. If you go there in January, 5.5 months later, you're done with high school, then you'll be all set up to go into the military because the military recruiters will love to sign you up after you finish this program. Let the military pay for your undergraduate education. Let the military pay for law school because every branch of our US military has their own lawyers. Okay? So that's a real good plan for you to reinvent yourself. All right? Once again, that's got nothing to do with the sentencing. I'm just giving you that information. All right. So let's talk about sentencing. What else? Anything else? Thank you. All right, 19 days jail credit for time served. I'll do a delayed sentence. I'm going to do 12 months under HIDA. I will entertain ending that before the 12 months, depending on what he's got going on. I'm not charging any money. I do want him reporting, at least initially for the first few months, reporting on a regular basis with our probation department just to keep on track, see how he's doing.
Bring probation, but important was the driver will.
Like I said, I'm going to start him out with meeting with us. No, I'm going to start him out with meeting at least for the first few months, and then we can maybe do some email reporting, make it a little bit less onerous. How long you're on this program depends on you. So, for example, you come in and show me that you're going to the challenge in January, or show me some other really concrete steps to reinventing yourself, and then I'm not worried about holding my thumb over you for a year. Okay? Questions? Good luck. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Jadala, who do you want to start with? Kroger?
Yes.
What's Josh got? Oh. Go ahead, counsel.
Established in 620, here and now, that was Robert, you are to the concept for the Thomas matter after meeting with the prosecutor, he let me know that they finally received all digital, will be sending it to me. Your Honor, so we're going to be asking for a final pre-trial on this matter, and we'll check it for it being on November 5th.
Final pretrial with complainant to appear. And you want to go to the November 26th date? November 5th. Oh, okay. Judge Patton. Yeah. What time you want to do it, Heather? And I will continue bond. Ms. Kroger, just have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice.
One other matter, Your Honor, she received a part of her bond for underrated matter that she was supposed to appear today. I think it's a felony matter, assault with dangerous smoking or felony felonious assault. She just wanted to make sure that she was in the right place and she didn't miss anything.
I don't know anything about another file. Hey, Tim, tell Josh to get in here so we can get the jailer out of the way.
Have a seat.
I was gonna do it, Heather.
And he left.
Yeah.
He has.
What about Nielsen?
Yes. Yeah. 1686, here out that. Coach. I said, well, about 3 times, right? But speaking of the state prosecutor, I'm thinking it has before dismissal on this matter.
All right, failed to stop property damage accident from August 13 is dismissed. There is a civil infraction. What are we gonna do on that one? I don't need a complainant for a civil infraction. I mean, we can set it for hearing. I don't think it was set for hearing today. I'll tell you what, talk to the prosecutor. If the prosecutor wants to dismiss, they can write it up. So the misdemeanor is dismissed. On the civil infraction, wait just a minute. We'll see where we're at. Pretty Sweater, have a seat. Counsel, let me have Mr. Kaplan just for a minute. Or Hadley just for a minute. Mr. Hadley on Merzick.
Yes, Your Honor.
My fault. Attorney Judge Hadley on behalf of Mr. Eileen from Wayne County Jail. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, sir.
Please state your name for the record.
Highly Ruzek.
Your Honor, we have reached a resolution in this matter. We would like to avail ourselves of the people's offer by the disorderly and public would be dismissed. We'd be tendering a guilty plea to disturbing the peace.
All right, sir, did you understand your rights and the options those rights give you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand the possible penalty for the added charge?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge today freely and voluntarily?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, incident date 12/4/24.
Thank you, Your Honor. Well, December 4th of 2024, sir, were you present in the city of Romulus, County of Wayne, State of Michigan?
Probably. I don't remember. I don't know what city I was in specifically. I'm just gonna say yes. I'm not sure.
Well, let me do it this way. Do you remember getting arrested that day?
At the airport recently.
That'll work. You were at the
Yes,
airport.
I remember.
Good. That
Yes.
establishes where you gotta be. Go ahead.
Now, on the date, time, the location the judge just mentioned, did you behave in a manner that was disorderly and caused police to have to respond to your behavior?
You're attempting to plead guilty, sir. I need to know what you did that makes you guilty.
Well, the only thing that I remember doing was just that I was drunk. I didn't have any
Okay.
liquor.
So because you were drunk, do you lack a clear memory of what happened?
I remember pretty clearly.
Okay, it's not rocket science, guy. Were you disturbing the peace at the airport?
I would
Okay.
say
I'll set it for trial. You want a bench trial or jury trial? You know the difference?
Sir, Your Honor, I have a proposal. This could be just as easily resolved, no contest. But he stated on the record that he was intoxicated.
And he's telling me he remembers things.
I was intoxicated, but I do remember most of it.
Okay, most of it or all of it?
I remember that I was drunk, but
Okay,
I don't
do you
remember doing anything beyond that.
Okay. All right. If you tell me you don't remember what happened, then I can get facts somewhere else to accept your plea.
I just want to cooperate.
Well, you're not doing a damn good job. Do you not remember clearly the incident that happened on the date of 12/4/24 at the airport?
I remember, Your Honor.
All right, sir, were you disorderly on the date and time that you do remember now?
Yes, sir.
How were you disorderly?
I didn't have.
No, I don't want to know probably. I want to know what happened. Did you argue with the cops? Did you yell at somebody behind a counter somewhere? What were you doing?
I argued a little bit with the cop because I was drinking.
Great. I'll accept your plea. How long have you been in jail?
He's not sure, Your Honor, but it's been over a week.
Days, Your Honor.
All right. Did you have a job before you went to jail?
I'm with some temp agencies, but I didn't have a full-time job. I was with some temp agencies in New York, like catering gigs, but I didn't have a full-time job.
I'm giving you 7 days in jail. I'll give you credit for the 7 days you've already spent. I'm going to close your file.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Are we done with the jail?
Mr. Bell needs to jump back in, otherwise I've got, the rest of mine are in prep.
He's not here.
So I need a rain, he needs a rain because they want no contact orders. Those two are Hadley's.
McCullough?
Yes, sir.
Sierra McCall.
Good morning, Your Honor. Your Honor, Attorney Josh Hadley, my PC counsel on behalf of Tierra McCall, who's going to be stating their name correct. Please, sir.
Sierra McCall, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Wait before we're reading the arraignment, ask the court to plead not guilty on my client's behalf. We would ask for a PR bond moving forward. Was patient waiting for me today and was anxious to advocate, have me advocate on her behalf on this case.
And we're setting it for a final pretrial.
We are, Your Honor, we're asking for a final pretrial date.
When?
So third if you want.
Give me one moment to see if, do you,
I mean, we can put it on another day.
not really, not too many more, I guess, unless you're,
Any Wednesday.
let's just stick with the third. So I might.
What time, Heather?
Excellent. And then the only other issue, Your Honor, I believe there is a no contact provision as part of the arraignment.
Correct. All right, ma'am, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition is pretty obvious. You're in court for December 3rd, 9:45. Second one's pretty obvious. Stay out of trouble. Third, do not return to 9113 Parkwood and no contact with the complainant in this matter, which is Bryant. So no phone calls, no letters, no social media contacts. See him at Taco Bell, you're eating at Burger King. Don't have anybody call him, see how things are going. They track you down, say, hey, let's meet for coffee. They can't change this. Only myself or somebody else in a black robe in this building. You got all that? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. Anthony Tucker.
Judge, again, with Mr. Anthony Tucker, today's arraignment 3 trial. We will wait for reading the arraignment. Ask the court to plead not guilty on behalf of my client.
Done.
And Your Honor, we're asking for a final pretrial. This is similar to what we've been doing. Complaint to appear and give us time to get a discovery.
12/3, 9:30. And let's talk bond.
Yeah, we request a PR bond. Again, what we've read so far, you guys like. So appearance today. Those are our basis for the request.
Any reason for you to have any contact with Azaria Sneed?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition, stay out of trouble. Second condition, show up in court on 12/3. Third condition, no contact with that individual. You heard what I mean by no contact? You understand what that means? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to court amount of $1,000 if you violate bond? Any questions? Have a seat. We'll get you notice. We lost. Oh, are we ready on Nielsen? Did you have any more ready, Mr. Hadley? Who you got?
So, yes, ready to go, Your Honor?
I don't have any files. I got no plea agreements or files. Nielsen.
That's your try.
Yep.
And Your Honor, on Mr. Nielsen, I had a check, state, prosecutor, he's made an offer, but he's also notified me that not only was it on the final pre-trial, they were going to see that appeared. I'm still in fact.
That's fine. So both are dismissed.
Yes, sir. We got 46.
All right. Have a good day, Mr. Nielsen. Oh, Mr. Nielsen, you owe us money on other stuff.
Yes, sir.
Are you on a payment plan? You're current? Are you current?
Yeah, like I
Okay.
paid for the entire.
You're good. You're good. What do you got?
You already just noticed, I don't even see.
What was the last name?
Yes.
Walls? Are we holding? Who's the prosecutor?
That was.
All right.
I have one for
Thanks, so. I need a prosecutor here on walls. Thanks.
We're just.
Jamie, tase somebody, get me a frickin' prosecutor in here. Tase somebody, I want a prosecutor in here right now. Mr. Kaplan, on the walls matter, are the people ready to proceed? Any argument?
Yes.
Thank you. Case dismissed without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What do you got now? Brian,
You know what I'm saying? This, you know, it's, you know, that, behind you, the both people, you, they not, okay, you know, very much, let me know, they don't use that structural here, we'll be asking for this new songs and that.
good morning. Case dismissed without prejudice. And Melton.
Right, at this time, we're asking for brief, prosecution, that's the asking for, the officer received his subpoenas late for effectual service. So I have no objection to go 1 week, it could be back on the 29th, next week, Your Honor, just for final pre-trial.
9:15, Judge Patton, October 10th.
So that'll be Zoom. So that means the complainant can show up Zoom, you can show up Zoom. All right. Ms. Melton, we'll get you a paper notice.
Sit, ready to wait, I have all parties here.
Thank you. I gotta find a file.
It's hyphenated. Yep, it's, see the blue file?
Yep.
Yeah.
Appearances for John Smith, Solomon Smith.
Have the people in 400.
Good morning. PD 565 the street not
Need dates for
Thank you. We're waiving counsel. Sir, you can sit down. Sir, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with counsel? Do you understand the purpose for a preliminary exam? You understand that if you waive the exam, that means your next court date is not at the district court level where we're at now, but at the circuit court level. And that's what you want to do today? And you're doing so freely and voluntarily, is that correct? Counsel satisfied? AOI date is going to be November 5 at 9 a.m. Anything as to bond? Bond will be continued. Counsel, I'm going to make my notes and I'm going to ask you and your client to sign. And I wish you luck downtown. Actually, yeah. All right, Jamie, if you would. Oh, counsel, your client's got 2 misdemeanor files, Van Buren, that will give him hooked up with a pretrial date. And that's going to be November 6th at 8:30. That's live in my courtroom, understood? We'll get you a paper notice so you don't have to remember it. I'm going to put you on a personal bond on those. Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 on each one of these files if you screw up and don't show up? Any questions? You're all set.
Judge, the prosecution.
Say that again? Give it to Heather. Heather.
Grab that knife before you leave. John.
I got it.
Thank you. Yes.
What's next?
We have an exam judge with your convenience.
What's the name? I'm ready. Appearances for Spearman.
Yeah.
Good after, yes, good afternoon, Your Honor. Neighbors with Federal Service by Sons Brush, number 85828, appearing on behalf of David Spearman, who is just to my left. Mr. Spearman, please state your name for the record.
Have a seat. Thank you.
So one witness in Seattle, we have a witness, and her name is Ashley Cook.
Ms. Cook, come on up. Watch your step right here on my ramp. Raise your right hand for me. Would you swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth today? Have a seat right there. When you're ready.
State your name, please. Ashley Cook, are you employed?
Yes,
What type of work are you engaged in?
I sell truck parts, so I'm in an office every day.
Nothing wrong with that. Ms. Cook, taking you back in time to November 22nd, 2024, at about 8:15 in the morning. Do you remember if your whereabouts?
Yes, I was driving to work.
What type of vehicle were you operating? Are you alone in the vehicle or do you have a passenger? What route were you taking at about 8:15 in the morning?
I was driving down 94 West, headed towards Haggerty.
Do you know what city, the township that's located in?
I mean, there's two a bunch on 94, but going towards that area is normally Belleville or Van Buren Township, it's on the border.
Your Honor, will the court take judicial notice that that's Belleville?
I will.
Thank you, Your Honor. Did anything unusual happen while you were driving to work that morning?
Yes, I was in the left lane, getting over the right. I see the regular starter in my air, but it's going
Before you go further, and maybe you said this and I missed, you're traveling westbound or eastbound?
west Chicago.
Well, what caused you to notice another vehicle?
He had cut someone else off driving recklessly, just got over really quickly and cut someone else off, and I had noticed, so I had gotten over into the middle lane, and he set up to me, followed me, got
Ms.
behind
Clinton, I'm
me.
sorry to interrupt you, but we have to proceed by questions and answers, so it's more interesting the way you do it. But in terms of that other vehicle, could you describe it?
Yes, it was a newer red Chevy Equinox, all tinted windows.
Were you able to determine at that point the gender of the person driving?
No.
At some point, you have further contact with it.
Yes, as I'm getting off of the exit, he is continuously tailgating me as I get off.
Did you want him to deal with? Anything unusual happen? Does it escalate at all, the citizen?
Outside of him pulling a gun out on me when he stopped at the right side of the vehicle,
When was the gun pointed at you?
when I stopped at the light coming off of the exit.
How far were you from the person who pointed the gun at you?
I mean, he was on my passenger side, so I couldn't, of course, I couldn't reach him, but probably from, if I'm sitting here,
As close as I am to you,
probably, if maybe closer.
Probably 10 feet here.
within less than probably. Satisfied?
More than 8 feet. I'm not a roof.
Then trust me, it's less than 10 feet.
That was once, twice before. Ms. Cook. The person who pointed the gun said male it to you.
Yeah.
You saw him again, you think you recognize him? Look around the courtroom and let Judge Oakley know whether you see that gentleman.
He's sitting right there.
What does he wear?
Well, he's wearing a purple shirt right now.
Noted.
You tell the judge the weather conditions, the rain, the dust, the clouds at the time.
It was light, it was sunny, beautiful day.
Were you having any difficulty seeing that morning?
No,
I
none.
noticed you wearing spectacles. Do you use those for driving or?
Usually answer this very every day.
Were you wearing them that morning?
Yes, sir.
How certain or uncertain are you that you've identified the person?
I'm 100%.
Can you describe the gun?
Yes, it was, I couldn't see the top of it, but it was a pistol. It was a smaller handgun style pistol. It was black. He kind of almost had it covered when he pointed it at me. So all I could see was the tip, probably about that much of the tip.
When this defendant pointed that gun at you, did he say anything to me?
Yes, he said, I will shoot you.
How far was he from you when he said, I'll shoot you?
They, less than 10 feet.
Are the windows up or down?
They were up.
Are you able to hear them?
No, I had my music up.
No, but you said, he said to you, I'll shoot you.
Yes, he had his window down, but mine were up. And my music was going, so I did not hear him, but I saw his mouth move.
Can you gesture to the judge? Your Honor, the record reflects she gestured as the defendant left.
Well, she lip synced.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
Did you contact the authorities about this incident?
Not right away. I was in a panic. I didn't know what to do. My mom works at the same building, the same company as me. I went to her immediately.
Ultimately, are the law enforcement informed?
Yes.
By who?
He,
How much time passed between the incident when he pointed the gun at you with mouth to you that it would shoot you or kill you?
probably about an hour.
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing further.
Counsel, your witness.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Ms. Rose. I just have a few questions for you. If you need a clarify, you can just let me know. And make sure you say yes. So you're driving down 94 that day, right?
Right.
And this is back in November 2024, right? So almost a year ago. Okay, so fair to say this time has passed, right? Okay. And so you were listening to music, right? So your music's pretty loud. You were going around 75. And you get off this exit actually, right? So that was the plan. Exit.
Yes, so I take that out every day.
And you were going to work?
Yes.
Okay.
Ms. Brush, give me just a second.
Scott doesn't have to stick around, it's just mess with it.
Go ahead, Counsel.
And you had noticed this car, this red car. That's not, that's far.
Yes.
Sorry, just for the record.
Yeah.
Thank you, Counsel.
And you weren't able to see anyone in that vehicle at the time.
No.
And you don't know how many people were in that vehicle.
No.
And you said all of the windows, all 4 of the windows were tinted?
All around.
All around?
All around. Windshield, back, and the 4 windows on the sides.
Okay, and so you get off on Hackney, right?
Does he yes?
Sorry. And you are slowing down because you're getting off the freeway, right? And you're stopping at a red light, right? And then you see this same red car pass by you slowly, right?
Yes.
But that the car isn't stopped, right? The car never stops next to you, right?
No, it does.
It's still moving slowly, right?
Yes, it is moving slowly, but he does stop on my passenger side. He comes directly above.
And how many seconds did that last?
Your Honor, excuse me. You did not complete her answer.
Yeah, just,
Near the end of the
just a little pause. That's all right, yeah.
Less than 10 seconds. Less than 10 seconds. And so the window was rolled down.
His window was rolled down.
Just that one window, right?
Correct.
So that's the only way you can see anything.
Yes, that was the only way I could identify him.
And your music's still on.
Yes.
And are you completely stopped?
Yes.
And you're not able to hear anything that's said, right?
No.
You just you think that you can read his lips, right?
Correct.
This individual's lips, right?
Yes.
And you had never seen this person before?
No.
Have you ever seen this person since? No. Okay. I do want to ask you, so, did you hear me put an appearance on the record before you testified today? When you walked into the courtroom before you testified? Did you hear me introduce myself?
No.
Okay. And so you didn't hear anything that happened before you testified?
No.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. You testified that you are 100% certain that the person you identified as being the individual who focused on you. You testified that you're 100% certain that that's the person. Okay? Even though you just saw them within a matter of seconds. Even though.
That was a yes?
Even when you don't know this person, correct? Okay, that's interesting.
objection of the time, it's not close.
Okay, the court can strike that one.
Consider it stricken.
Now, you eventually gave statement to the police, right? And did they give you any information about the suspect? No. Okay. Have you spoken to the police since November 2024? No. They didn't ever follow up with you?
The only follow-up they had was the day after Thanksgiving, November 25th of 2024. Detective Harrison reached out to me to do a lineup, well, a picture lineup, I should say.
Okay.
And that was the last I had been in contact with the police until probably last month from the prosecutor.
Last month from the prosecutor? Oh. And they gave they gave the name of the person that you were going to testify against, right?
Yes, they emailed me all of the information.
All of it. Did you know anything about this individual? No. Okay. So you identified the person sitting to my left as the individual too, right? And you can notice that he's sitting at this table, right? Whereas everyone else in this courtroom, this table right here, right? And this Mr. Pack and this individual asked you questions, right? And then everyone else is behind in the gallery right here, right? Okay. And I know, no good.
Okay, Mr. Kaplan, follow up?
Court reporter for.
Sure. What do you need?
For except for next.
Yeah.
Number one. You can use it's. That's presented. You mentioned that you were shown photographs.
Yes, sir.
By who?
Detective Harrison.
Do you remember the date that he showed his photographs?
Would have been November 25th, 2024.
When you were shown photographs, do you show them one at a time or all six at one time?
One at a time.
Did you select anybody among the six photographs?
Yes, sir.
And whom did you select among the
Was
six?
the last person we had showed.
I understand, but whom did you select? Somebody To the defendant?
Yes.
May I put you with it, Sheriff?
You may.
I'm handing you what's been marked as proposed exhibit 1. Your Honor, counsel has a copy. How many photographs are in that? Yeah. Are those photographs were shown by Detective Harrison?
Yes, sir.
Now, is your name appear anywhere, any signature and date?
Yes, under
Where?
number 6,
Where?
Akabata, and David,
And which person by number did you select?
6.
Then take a look at the names on the document. Who's number 6? What's his name?
The Avery Spearman.
Your Honor, may I move to admit proposed exhibit 1.
Ms. Brush,
No objection.
thank you. That'll come in.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Your Honor, no further question.
Any recross?
Yes, Judge, thank you. How many officers were present during this photo lineup?
Just Detective Harris.
Just Detective
Harrison.
Harrison, and you would give us, would you gave a statement to this person, this detective?
Officer Perez,
Okay,
that took my statement.
are you aware of this, photo lineup being recorded at all? Did anyone tell you that this was?
I was not aware.
Okay, and, did Officer Harrison or Detective Harrison, ever, when you made this identification, did they say anything to you?
No, just the procedure. He's gonna show me the photos and to pick out the person that I described in my statement.
Okay, and once you did that, did he say anything to that?
No, he said that basically you need to be in for contact if anything else comes about this.
Okay, that was it. No further questions, Rich.
Thank you.
No, redirect.
Okay, Ms. Cook, you can step down, watch your step. And thank you for your time today.
Your Honor, what else?
All right, any defense witnesses?
No, it's.
Argument?
Judge, we have a road rage incident here that did not need to happen. It's really innocuous. And what the gunman did, Judge, is offensive. Pointing a gun and mouthing, "I will shoot you," their conduct's deplorable. But apart from that, she identified the defendant in the courtroom, and she also identified him way back when the incident occurred, and she was short. And she signed it, number 6, Avery Harris.
Thank you.
We would ask around the time to case over and all three counts.
Judge, we move for, we object to the finding of burning wishes in this case. As it relates to the in-court identification today, Your Honor, we would just say that we think that's unduly suggested here. It's very clear that Mr. Spearman is the only person sitting next to me at the council's table. As it relates to the photo lineup, if Your Honor to look at the exhibit, the defense has major issues with this photo lineup itself. We can absolutely address it at circuit court, but I do want to bring that to this court's attention, that this photo lineup, is unduly suggested based on the photos themselves. Mr. Spearman, the last photo, the person looks very different than all of the other individuals in terms of complexion and in terms of weight. And all of that relates to our argument that this photo lineup should be suppressed as it is, it was not done in a constitutional manner. Other than that, Judge, nothing further to say.
Response?
Your Honor, my very able opponent, as usual, makes excellent arguments. But her attacks upon the photographs, Judge, and the process of having the identification made, those are questions for the kinder attack. And also, Your Honor, the U.S. Supreme Court disagrees with counsel in terms of a person being identified in the courtroom when he's all alone. Maybe the law should be changed by Congress if they have the power, but that's not the law in the United States.
Anything else, Ms. Ruff?
I would just say, the defense would request, all of the digital discovery as it relates to the photo lineup.
This isn't part of the argument. You can address that with me.
Yeah, let's get through the exam and then you want to talk about anything else. Any other argument on the bind over?
No, Judge.
Okay, Probable cause standard has been met. I'm gonna bind over. AOI date will be next Wednesday. No, he's not in custody. Be November 5th. 9 a.m. Anything as to bond, people?
No challenge this time.
Bond will be as is. Now, if you want to have some discovery conversation, let's do that.
Ask for discovery order as relating to the photo line procedure. That was done with Venus. I did talk to the officer in charge of the preliminary examination and the same who was seeking that.
Okay. Well, I can just tell you from experience, if Harrison's working on it, you're gonna get it if you can find it. And if not, contact the prosecutor's office. Mr. Spearman, you owe us money on some other stuff. Looks like you had a due date coming up. All right, you know about that. All right, good luck downtown. Mr. Jadala, what do you got?
Wrong, please.
BRU?
BRUMN.
I've got it.
And there was never developed, 6286 figured out to happen from, on me, 11, the runner, I did read from, whether I would be returning materially. I remember the complaining witnesses were here, they approached me, they told me they saw them walk out. To ensure, I called them, had to call them, see if they could identify him, that took them around. They've been dismissed, I have no reason why Mr. Trump left the courtroom.
Okay.
Sure.
All right, we'll issue a bench warrant.
Thank you, have a wonderful day, and thank you for putting Scott on the record, I appreciate that.
No problem.
We have Andy right here for the adjournment.
The woods.
Mr. Hadley, I'm ready on Woods.
Your Honor, we are here today for the rate three for Elmont.
Thank you.
We're just appreciative to obtain discovery in this matter, then we just need to address the ratings.
Yeah, would you waive formal reading?
Respectfully, Your Honor, I'm gonna ask for a PR bond in this matter with the standard conditions of, no alcohol, no drug use, without a valid prescription at this time.
All right. Are you working, Mr. Woods? Where are you working? How long have you been employed there?
I'm working at the Oakley Park Apartments as a leasing agent.
Yep.
For about a month now.
Okay. Where'd you work before that?
Worked at as a science salesman, at, Science in One Day in Ann Arbor. I was, a receptionist slash, sales consultant.
Okay.
Well, we still stand at the allegation stage only. My client has taken a very proactive situation. He's been refraining from any alcohol use.
Good.
He's been actually actively engaged in 12-step meetings.
Good. Beautiful.
Just want to let the board know.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, get ahead of the game. All right, Mr. Woods, court dates can be 12/3, 9:30, all right? 10 a.m. Now I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First two conditions are pretty obvious. Number one, stay out of trouble. Number two, be in court. Third condition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That rules out alcohol and marijuana. You can live with those rules? Raise your right hand. Swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court amount of $1,000 if you screw that up. Any questions? Just have a seat till we get your notice.
Your Honor, thank you for sneaking us in.
Give me a name on the exam.
Jones.
Jones. Waiver? All right. Your appearance, counsel.
Good afternoon, Mohammed,
Good afternoon, Your Honor, neighbor for the public service of Detroit. Please state 850, and Mr. Jones, who is seated to my left. You know, please state the name.
There you go.
Thank you, Mr. Jones. Go ahead, counsel.
Please state and friends that for examination, it's my understanding that we're ready to proceed as that happens.
Right.
We are, I have advised Mr. Johnson is right, but January and that right, he wishes to wait for us.
Good. All right, Mr. Jones, is that true? You understand your rights?
Without understanding, being my best interest, Your Honor.
Okay, but you understand that you've got a right to a trial. You understand you have different kinds of trials are available. You've got an attorney to advise you. You understand all that? Right. And you understand the purpose for the exam?
Can you address me?
Sure. If we hold an exam, the prosecutor has to prove two things. One, that a crime was likely to have happened, and two, that you were likely involved in that crime. It's a probable cause burden. It's not a beyond a reasonable doubt, okay? So it's basically reason to believe. You understand that? If I answer both those questions at the end of the exam with, yeah, there's reason to believe, I'm going to send it downtown. By waiving, you're just saying, let's just go downtown and deal with it there. You understand that?
Any issues on CCW?
That's all I've got is one count, carrying concealed weapon from October 10th, or excuse me, August 10th.
Reason to believe that. I let, judge, the honorable judge, know that I believe that my power should be legal.
Okay, but that doesn't happen here.
So I have.
That's a motion for downtown. That's a motion for downtown. Today, all they have to do is give me reason to believe that on August 10, 2025, you had a weapon and you weren't carrying it legally. It was concealed weapon. That's all they have to do. You understand that? And you understand by waiving, you're just saying you're not going to make them do that. You're going to make them go downtown and prove their whole case. All right. Does anybody disagree with the way I explained the process? You want to clarify anything? Okay. So understanding that, are you waiving today?
Yes, sir.
All right. And you're doing that because you think you're taking her advice that it's the best thing for you to do? Okay. All right. So I will accept the waiver. You satisfied that it's knowingly, voluntarily made?
Yes.
All right. So I'll accept your waiver. Your next court date is going to be next Wednesday, 9 a.m. downtown. Understood? All right. Anything as to bond? Let me figure out what it is first and make sure we're all on the same page. It looks like it's a 10,000. No, that's PR.
The court increased bond recently.
Do you know when that was?
The 15th.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. I still can't find anything for
I held it on as 20,000 10% based on RFA.
conditions.
Judge not to possess any weapons, firearms, or ammunition.
Oh, okay. Yeah, this is the one we got the report in. Yeah, we got it. We got an incident report that said that he was involved in some other incident on October 8th, and that there were firearms involved. Okay. All right. So now I think we're on the same page what the bond is now.
Yes.
All right, go ahead.
Your Honor, I would ask the court to consider a reduction to a personal bond with house arrest and a tether. Mr. Jones, obviously he's in a wheelchair today.
Mhm.
He was shot.
Yep.
Multiple times. He is receiving at least some treatment at the jail, but not to the extent that he should be. He's supposed to be undergoing physical therapy so that he will be able to walk again.
Mhm.
That's not happening. I understand, that the people are gonna talk about another case that could potentially arise, but at this point in time, Mr. Jones is not charged with anything other than the CCW that's before the court today. So I would ask the court to consider a personal bond with house arrest so that he can go to his physical therapy.
Right.
And get medical treatment that he needs. He does have a place to live. His girlfriend's mother indicated that he could stay with her. There are other places he could live, like given stairs and whatnot.
Right. Right. Okay.
So I am asking the court to consider that reduction with those conditions.
Okay.
Your Honor, in defense counsel is correct that there is another pending case.
Out of the October 8 incident?
The defendant has not been charged at this time, however, he is currently being investigated by the police as the aggressor in the shooting. Additionally, at the time that alleged incident occurred, the defendant was under the court's bond conditions, which prohibited him from being in possession of any weapons. As you know, Your Honor, the court speaks through its orders. And the defendant clearly disregarded that. So based on that, I'm going to request $100,000 cash, no 10% bond for this individual.
Right.
And Judge, I understand.
My apologies. In regards to the medical file, we would have no objection to the court labeling the file as a medical.
Go ahead, Ms. Castle.
20,000 I don't know if people have given any new facts that the court was not made aware of at that time that the court made that decision. But I am asking the court to consider the personal bond, given the health condition that my client has. It's also my understanding that the other individual involved regarding that supervision has in fact been. The fact that my client has not at this time is telling. So I would ask the court to consider that as well. And I also failed to mention earlier that he does have support in the courtroom. His grandmother and his great aunt. His girlfriend is here. His girlfriend's mother was here but had to leave. And Reverend Robert Olive is here, who is going to be mentoring him.
Good.
Programs Detroit that
Right.
he's involved with.
Okay. Thank you. All right, so while you two were both talking, I found my notes. I'm the one that increased the bond to 20,000, 10%. And this is gonna come off snarky, and I'm not trying to be snarky or sarcastic. But had he followed my bond condition, he wouldn't have been in a shootout and be in a wheelchair right now. He can't follow bond conditions. I'm not gonna let him out on a personal bond again. So I'm gonna leave the bond exactly as it was when I set it on October 14th. It's 20,000, 10%. Good luck downtown.
Thank you, Ralph.
Sir. Stop. I don't even know.
Hey, Tim, I got more files. I don't know if we got more defendants or not.
But there's a special unit prosecuting animal torture.
All right.
We're going to determine whether to compare the lawyer.
What files?
That's on the all outland.
You know what he's talking about? I don't have a file.
They wait.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, school just ran in. She was here.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you. Good attempt. It was a good attempt to be helpful. Sure. Good. What's your name? Oh, you're the pastor. Good. Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you at? Where you work?
Well, I'm,
I mean, where are you doing your mentoring?
my organization, Southern Christian Leadership Conference.
Yeah, where are you out of?
Detroit. But we do
Okay.
kind of everywhere. We, Inkster, not in Romulus yet, but we do have services.
Should be. I've been running the juvenile program here since 2000.
Okay.
One of the biggest problems we got is young men being raised by women.
Yes, sir.
And they need mentors.
Most of them. That's why we've been, for the last 3.5 years, been running the mentoring program at the Wayne County Juvenile
Bless you.
Detention Center
Yeah.
with, under the leadership of
Yeah.
Wayne